Government has also introduced the use of drones to expedite the transportation of samples to laboratory centers. On Friday, 17th April, for example, 51 samples were delivered from the NIMAKO drone distribution center to Noguchi. Furthermore, we're introducing rapid results testing to augment our surveillance and enhance contact tracing efforts so that we can quickly isolate and treat confirmed cases. From the 68,591 samples tested, we've been able to understand better the dynamism of the virus, mapped out its geographic footprint, and established current and potential hotspots. We've also been able to isolate and educate asymptomatic carriers and thereby help minimize the spread of the virus. So far, it has been established that the virus was imported into our midst from foreign shores and is being spread through person-to-person contact. The majority of persons infected in Ghana have mild to no symptoms at all, whilst a very small number have required hospital treatment, of which 9 persons with underlying ailments have died. Towards treatment, we've expanded and added to our network of COVID-19 treatment centers, with the Ghana East and Bank of Ghana hospitals being 100% dedicated to the fight. In addition, we have set aside separate COVID-19 treatment centers at the University of Ghana Medical School, Hospital, the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Komfo-Anokye Teaching Hospital, Kumasi South Hospital, and in other designated regional and district hospitals. Last Friday, I was honored to do the virtual sod-cutting ceremony for the construction of a 100-bed infectious disease and isolation facility at the Ghana East Municipal Hospital, which is being funded through a public-private partnership under the leadership of the Ghana COVID-19 Private Sector Fund, and whose construction, with the assistance of the 48th Engineer Regiment of the Ghana Armed Forces, will be completed in 6 weeks. Members of the Private Sector Fund have indeed acted like citizens and not spectators in these testing times for our country, and their patriotism is to be loudly praised. We have also scaled up the domestic production of personal protective equipment, and our health care facilities so far have taken delivery of 14,550 scrubs, 11,900 gowns, 19,980 head covers, 263,281 nose masks, 13,002 N95 nose masks, 41,117 varying sizes of sanitizers have also been produced locally and delivered to our health facilities. The enhancement of our capacity to test has been made possible by the dedication of the expanded teams at Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research, the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research, and the National Public Health Reference Laboratory. Further, we're making significant investments in the laboratories of the Veterinary Laboratory, Accra, the Center for Scientific and Industrial Research Laboratory in Accra, the Police Hospital, the 37 Military Hospital, the University of Health and Allied Sciences in Ho, the Veterinary Services Department in Sekondi Takoradi, the Public Health Laboratory in Tamale, the War Memorial Hospital in Navrongo, and the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, so they can also use PCR technology. We are recalibrating 100 regional and district tuberculosis gene expert laboratories across the country to help ensure that we have a minimum situation of 1 testing center per region. Fellow Ghanaians, in view of our ability to undertake aggressive contact tracing of infected persons, the enhancement of our capacity to test, the expansion in the numbers of our treatment and isolation centers, our better understanding of the dynamism of the virus, the ramping up of our domestic capacity to produce our own personal protective equipment, sanitizers and medicine, the modest successes chalked in containing the spread of the virus in Accra and Kumasi, and the severe impact on the poor and vulnerable. I've taken the decision to lift the 3-week-old restriction on movements in the Greater Accra metropolitan area and Kaswa, and the Greater Kumasi metropolitan area and its contiguous districts, with effect from 1 a.m. on Monday, 20th April. In effect, tomorrow, we'll see the partial lockdown in Accra and Kumasi being lifted. I must make it clear at the outset that lifting these restrictions does not mean we're letting our guard down. All other measures are still firmly in place. For the avoidance of doubt, the earlier measures announced on Wednesday, 15th March, which have been extended, are still very much in force and have not been relaxed. I'm demanding even greater adherence to these measures. In here, I'm referring to the suspension of all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, parties, nightclubs, drinking spots, beaches, festivals, political rallies, religious activities, and sporting events. All educational facilities, private and public, are to remain closed. Businesses and other workplaces can continue to operate, observing staff management and workplace protocols with a view to achieving social distancing and hygiene protocols. Operators of public transport, including our buses, trotros, and taxis, are to continue to run with a minimum number of passengers, as they have been doing for the last 3 weeks in maintaining social distancing. They must also continue to ensure the maintenance of enhanced hygienic conditions in all vehicles and terminals by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap for washing our hands.
Okay, abusanfo we Ghana man pani na na dodan kwa akofo yembo nsem no enyina tofa emfama we mo akwaba e de ba Kro Yi Mu Nsem jumedi so for the 1 minute past 6 midi de duana ba kofi asante anopay ye ready wadwen kire nra ye cell banning lockdown partial lockdown ya left manfo jubility just say what's happening doom the update no ebebro but the president kai ni nyina no ye bone tofa one Ghana eguso ye contact tracing backlogs of testing contact tracing identify over 18,000 confirmed cases now see Ghana 1,042 and as you see Ghana nipa enya COVID-19 ni bi 1,042 aban this see drones and air sporty samples at the various centers. Now rapid testing and I'm penning for ever be introduced you in various market and other areas. And so omu be frasia Bank of Ghana hospitals is here no a center 100% all the COVID-19 cases in kwa and I won't air private sector fund buying it to one among manfo kakra de boy on the Bible constructed hospital within 6 weeks. Just a COVID-19 hospital within 6 weeks was now watching now we lockdown were left just a enrana joe by one of now matching from 1 a.m. Quinano now a idea left it. Now churches and schools remain closed and sorry sorry schools that's why closed and other major public gathering now closed. Public gatherings restriction remain enforced and TN some borders Ghana yen borders are buying that's why are closed now social distancing ade ye koswa akanso bi anhwe afen so aban encourage the use of nose mask I trust how they share o hene no wano ebra no nyina stop say old stigmatize obi a onya covid-19 bi ede ensatre no so yebu dede ni ade sa na eme nyina debt relief of about $500 million US dollars sika and aban ehwe say o tu ho anamo African countries negotiating with the World Bank to release said a interest payment a bit so a delay kakra amount ya ban ekanyina ne say Ghana fonhwe say nhihye any djumedi gwakwam nyina no e bit so edi so now ya now say sa eye lift wie no say na krum esitie ye frase e wo yenua ofori amanfo so wo krum ye hefa en wo na den na ekoso amanfo ma che
awo bi so
ene anopa ugina he
anopa de me whatsapp for VIP station sitia
den na ekoso
we do have 6 anopa and I'm be pimo e wo ye asafo VIP ha na me bae no ne car ba ko alodi avia asai na watu awoko na eye second car e be gina mo no e be sin de enya de car lodu avia e nipa wa kakra me di mani bubu me ban se nipa be 20 e ko be 30 de o peso mutu kwan de o na e whatsapp o peso mutu kwan so e ko enkan na raba ko bi passengers ni bi dia tu dia che mo se aboa won because no mu nyuma wodo bebre no e wo me ahodo na say timpimpe ye fisu de abebo ma jam ni mo so mu ja no kan me bi no o ma tumi akwato aso and I would give you no e wo ye takwadi station kumasi takwadi station me call yen as an offer sector me call no me nipa me ke ti sie ya abo no so yin so no ekwobo anas no so abo nipa me nsa na gusu tika ni mu a ebi meka ho afi so no ko bogo so station so a and also the same thing and you know so I think you think I'm paying nipa be rasi o mo ekota de o mo eko nyemi ahodo etri kumasi akọ be rasi na ko vi ni hasa a just nipa mako na mu mfe wo mo ba no mu dim ko mo so nyuma e na mo ja no ho mo ko akwa ntu be timo ade enye gidigidi sa sania ninka yenim se bi anka betumi akọ na nso na ja SS ya no ko tutu yenim se bi amre ko na nimo no ensa te bi beba
enti mitie de o kan na je any past 30 pp kakaka bara nye kitikiti sa
enye kitikiti sa
na sentim bi my social distancing nose masks na da no man for etu ho anamo
ade wa ko mo no anti nose mask bi mu obi a majority kan ko no obi a chere nose mask obi a chere nose mask obi e no so obo ho we gina ha ni kasa wodo nso abewuwu mu nso no eno nso ntiti bi ewu social distancing nso so ewo eye kasa wodo mu a enipa mo bo ho ewo eye kasa nempo no mo jeja nso no enipa mo bo ho a obi a no smart se ne hene o down on kasa ya no we yi dia sen kum o kasa nso obi se ne hene no de kasa ma de empo bi gu akobu ha pa aje obi anso ebo no ban so ewo ya de we to ba social distancing ne de bidim se dipa no do ma ha ni tina sa de na ekoso ne de a by so far you want to dey we are just ma social distancing so kama o cars so be we social distancing so no air so e wo cars would more how be any say
man for well educated e wo say here say wo mo abehwe wo so yi bra president yi sa lockdown bani e dey free
that was me person yes me the train come person about what more can say and can we be here because me say church na gure ni pa bi mu adwene pa and o che say can we be here na e no kwa so kwa ya hwe e what say incline wo go strong na pe buru mpata mo no kwa so ko ba bia e bi odwuma bi na aka wo ha ni chese say wotu wana mo am dem pam no ka say there few people am no makasa no e ka me kwa kwa isi bia na dwuma e na o ja no wo ha e chese say kan ya na dwuma nkanya dia obeko entimi di senche no awura enipa bi adwini mu a ena mo so mo de enchise pam penifo de agu akomu na fe na pomdia so ne de agu akomu no agu mu di super paper na medical catch no smart na pe sori na no e ti o pepe fe enchise na awura enipa bi adwini mo timo bi apc ha nkan kra veronica bucket awodo be 9 say skill bia edisi the bia ka ewi bia na edisi mu a uwura mu a no de kan woro sa na fe no de eye and I think this is and so be wura kai ni no ade wa woro sa ansa na otu be wura kai ni mu a and also ya bia o mo yan show and so mo hwe say ebitu be gina so ye then ko ba bi dia bi no e wa ko na kai bi
OFORI AMANFO beda wase bibini a ebe santon safra obusanfo ye ni OFORI AMANFo na mote ne nka no yeguso a ya assess the situation on the ground sabre adwedifo nipa ewo kejitia central market then na oye aban a left so partial lockdown anyhow but yeni ankasa temamufo no what are we doing as a country as citizens say you bit me ama ye ni ada ho na yemfa ye ho enkonkɔ hyehyɛ ne ma bia ehun enhia mu anyway papa yemfa se na yemhwɛ sa implications of enema about over 1,000 cases recorded so far. President say enya de atwa se mehu boye bebre but ebinom can say ade na is serious considering the numbers me know me do from day one the call for lockdown we've been skeptical about it kakra and I want to believe say fine there are a lot of implications ebra ye free because of subaya Ghana fobi we are not disciplined.
Yeah.
And what going forward, what do we do as a country? Say a bit me abuama near my hodoa ye diego akwemuno. Yen take undue advantage near my area no and conquer spreading. Maminti.
Well, then, about me, food in another page now. Ye more in a basso. I didn't know Kofi Asante. First of all, my young commended the president. Raymond Abasu Yepa. A constant update.
Yeah.
Now, Odema Ghana for any being a president. What demonstrated leadership in terms of crisis. Kofi last me catch us in terms of crisis and who a leader is. Indeed, Kofi Asante Enra. They say if Ghana could do 1,042. Telling you, sir, even though Ghana and recorded much case as compared to say the other countries but Kofi Akosro because now me expect to cross the 1,000 mark
in Africa. They Akosro
pa
due to South Africa.
Yes, I wasn't expecting to me across the 1,000 mark, but to me across it.
And I because
Kofi president no say based on scientific information. Let me use that word. And now, or the projections, and then of course, information and how the measures are to be put in place. So Oceano, Emra Ghana, you was saying them to do by 2 the dimpo and a partial lockdown. So somebody will ask, how come if you do more than 1,000 as a partial lockdown a few? But you know me no dear, because excuse me to say be a layman. But on all no, don't forget said every single hour, every single minute, every single day be briefing. So we need scientific explanation. Say the bay Ghana for better said go Ghana for a bit a class I don't know you do 1,000 after they say you partial lockdown a few. But the man yen drew baby and pono, you say a partial lockdown. See the make no yariano yen be a quiet fast one spread it. The mode of spreading community spread the next city and coffee be an yen cities it's intimate papa. But for now no ABR or more briefing is no per the contact tracing per the testing any per city no even though you record higher but and spread it baby.
Okay.
Okay.
My main crown must conquer Jumamra. Many Santa Regional GPRT chairman. Nana NIMAKO Bresama. Nana no pay much the bench FM. Nana mete won kache. Na akra ho ye de. Danyamiase. Nana nkobwe mba 2 weeks ago minu di bra na ye hwese social distancing ka numu ebitma ye adwuma yi lockdown we free ho mjiri said the relief kakra bra mu nemom going forward there ye to ensure say space and family and some mienu bekoso atena ho na fe yentu niema ngum.
Okay. me that's it. Yeah. A team for ne Zala for ne Terra for near something man again. I mean, and say sad we are bed there. When we say a leave be idea mine. I don't say the Oman Penny come. Social distancing, I don't know, you be here for hope. It's an idea, a year you must. The best sense of Juma. Already, and they are at was a be officer on to me, sad and be a ma. I would tell you as in be a pair or yes, it's a monoban. The best thing I say, Patrick, we had the away demonstration, and so I was like be a. It's another city be an, yet beg you must say, Oman Penny direction.
Na Oko Western Regional, even they were not on lockdown, because of say na streets are almost independent be free so no. Asante region, any other parts, money impeding for the home come.
Enkura bibre ya mwa bin so betu na me de baby ya ekobia na mejina kasabe me kan kire o mu se aduna ayeye no enye obia sabi open eso yesese ahokyere bi ne sabi bibi na be sen wi mama sa no mo nyina ba enya me boa ne sa no ma wi nyina so twemu a e be sa akwe ya yire da da fie ho se de e fa e passenger ne se de yesi ka elenche nti o de say ne afiku am bi ma dra for streamlet ntin nyina se wo a wo hwe a wonim die mu no adwuma ne mo obi apatoka ne kakra no bitima yen yenkwa nipa no na empese pie se na nyamia boa na nyamia ma ekwan a yenye sa bo no dada na enim tetri se odo ni bia na ke ro be kan kure bia petrol se de ni sito no nyesa na to nse wo hwe petrol a na range between 18 and 19 cedis per gallon unlike first and 24-25 njane de still ye gina na se aban entu no mamu na se be ahokyere na abaye COVID-19 conference my brain and it is still obi abefa na betu bumbia ina wa enu be dise de mrane se
Mustati say yen sure say ni panomote so e wo kai ni mu no what have been the major challenges am facing and our report to amamo drivers no
and that one need say the yin na tie and omo ye adwuma yen sika na de ende na so eno de eso tiase enu ntin yesi wa wo yeshu se kan na adwuma onya 10 cedis and then atisu obenya be 7 cedis so he na mo wa no so be pack yesu ho the challenges in the who say bibre mia bibre the report by atum baby amatie bia no frɛ chama wo so onhwe se sa ebudada no da ho no omo hwe ne mfanya adwuma omo amfanya adwuma na se bi report officially enya de asabe emra no be spare no because sabe emra sabe obi anti de so tia oye de ope then the challenges in the ba man se dodo an so overcome.
Okay, drivers dodo na no and last for the past 3 days o observe wa ebinomo baby yes wo mu yi nipa ni gukura na omonko o ma start e no short said e be ya o musika na be doso for instance eso kwa jusu straight a olodu a onko okukudu kwa mo baby anu ayi wo maguo no abeda na ho no san sa ne ma no mahwe
ya hwe na experience akra mia wo mu an se o hwe na barriers no doso baby wo kra wo dura be ka je hin na mo ko am lockdown didn't necessarily bahadi ade thank you onye short ani bi fa so sabre ya omampani yi sa lockdown ma e kwanse anya djumandie so fi so lodu to kumasi to adu so eso to mo so double lodu aba friends mi kro ma ko na eso de mba ho tu ko ye no ma bia no sabi passenger be report so pe kwan bia bona po na de enso so mi ama hu bebre le mo na se ne barrier ne ade wo kwa mu a uduru ha sabi ni sinipa na nipa bi su gina ba ni ya jo wo na ma sa no ma we nyina ba sabre ya mo gidi se they stand on your from there. Normal personal say you be
okay. Very unfortunate. Nana NIMAKO besia my line not drop it. But the young man so na say the transport officer and Penny our that transport and wo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Randy any common understanding. Assembly no and shebe no more yet to ensure say won't be to enforce social distancing any other issues. Randy, I don't pay much the bench FM.
Yeah,
Bibi Aboko there.
Another room about the quick crime.
You're free this nyama nyina si obafi ha me di nkoma ene ye lockdown every ho ne aka ne se embra betima ye adwuma na drivers aye discipline yenim kuma se ya so den KMA transport eden na moye
battery we dey meet ya for ina go ka say na bresiama ka sauni regional minister no na mayor no metna say discussions bia na ebeboa ma yetumi de emra president de hihye ma ye no yetumi de aye adwuma na yugusu a ye no denden in actual sense social last week Thursday Friday ho ba bi na military no empne ema cars are no money specific stickers no back from the idea is was yetumi faka terminals or stations ya be faka yango ho yensa and I observe safety and hygiene protocols ni nyina enti omo discussion mo na me hu say to me e de nyoma ba komenu bi atokwan mu a ebeboa and one of them the distribution of hand washing equipment we have a Facebook page I will be the various stations the other donations that have been made. But one major stickers, identification stickers. They when it's usually cars juma na free station ne car kwan so a little different from belonging to any station from our phone. And every person, every driver, and more than join any of the unions. Within a period of 1 month, 2 months, no. Obi because of joining station be obi because or Jenisika and or money any condition no the regional executives no and regional unions okuma so 24 nyina ni podan no nana bresiama no pe won no okazana won no kase enti it's been done the year stickers near there was the mom no almost started so the year juma and some of them catch our drivers last week friends saying Friday Saturday and say well we need the appropriate sticker I be my kwam well loaded from Chrome main to car and open ya left ban all right but president so asked to say yen fan your man to kwam be boa be ma yatumi control community spread no and the American say if you do not have it, that is, we need the appropriate sticker. Don't go to town because, now so I prevent you from coming to town. They might even get you arrested. We normally be there to talk them. Definitely, any meeting and pay 10 o'clock. Until when you say immediately the meeting is over, the press will get the information and you will also be able to continue the education. Mabwa me yatumi aye ewo yare hu ani ada nyoma then ti dia anope ewo hono
yan hwe ni mu se beyond the yehu ye ewo lockdown bremu no bibi foforo ebeba from assembly ana saying
bibi foforo as in
very stringent measures be a more drivers I war metropolis be a special arrangement be to ensure so mudim run so bibisa
Nebato we are share ye juma dim there are specific bylaws I was here the juma if you look at government act the fair airline 19 and the other regulations are I was so be all your card maybe and belong to a union. I feel so should belong to a station. And there was a way display your destination indicator where be a walk on a these are some of the things. And as you see, I also the hand washing hygiene protocols so abeka. You who say it is very, very important. See about my to me ayejuma enti there will be strict enforcement of these things. The only issues are the work kakra the strength of the enforcement team so ate kakra but jumadi nso so eso enti edu ba bia na limit kakra Banyamia Daroma, or the military and then the police who are assisting us in doing this. Into whether the lockdown has been lifted or not, and from now till say all these protocols are supposed to be adhered to. Belong to a recognized union, join a station, load from the amount say loading. We'll clean your vehicle, sanitize and those things. We can see a lockdown we buy a own Kuma see a fekeke. And we because baby no ka do her a would work and no no dear goof form. No what to call. Ni nimni professor Bano Bepra in Rano. It's a idea you say these protocols as they have been established no. And with the help of the media houses, if we say education, we are going to design programs periodically to educate the drivers to actually do what they need to do.
Now, Minister Assembly no is it, do I call it ticket and answer Toby Amojiji free drivers in all right? Tools, right. Good. Mobile relax a brain one
with a executive decision now will be subordinating. I'm pretty sure so within the period no, I don't think we're charging at any of the terminals and the year Juma. And there I lecture in say there will be a discussion at 10. I'm pretty sure say after these things we no beba out. I don't think the focus now is making money. See a focus in here. How do we stay safe? How do we stay that we don't transmit the disease? And then you baby at you discount, you baby at you are not open your koyana you buy. But this is an executive decision. It is something that wouldn't come from me. And my share and okay, we are the Umbia and the Mama Swati. Now it's just much me. Educate drivers.
Randy Wilson, Bibinia Ebesatonsa Ediafro. Randy, transport coordinator for Kumase Metropolitan Assembly and Moten and Kano. Yabako Swami, Mazi, also one of the areas, a back congestion, you can't leave it out. Kumasi na Bia, a year, the hub of say Nipa, move to and fro. Now, catch us or Mudiza, no crano, 8 mikum COVID. Inti, say, social distancing is any mano. Yeah, the better from near Titia. So, a day I'm paying for I or a to insurance say you beat me, Amam. But Papa, now I know Guswa, ye didn't come and your call Kermway. These are the major areas. Dr. Mensah Ma, Central Marketing Ma, Race Course, Mazi. I'm worried about these areas.
Yeah, Kofi Mbaba, but now may react quickly to mixed reactions about Nkofo. People still not in Kofi so money present in Yadjin. What he has said, Sidington also lifted the ban on this partial lockdown because Ojidi say at the time and they impose saying lockdown no company not number no increasing do say
Ghana for a lockdown Ghana for say hey
the president information the Ghana for is based on research information so almost the various health professionals no Kofumufidino Kofswati say so the president will not put his people in the health at in jeopardy. Say president if he say pass or sick lockdown win or left here ebema Ghana for ebe spread I don't know so left Kofo yes I mistaken no the president of the Republic of Ghana all me jina bonten kan Ghana for say ma lift the partial lockdown say the be Kofo nya yare no more. So that will tell you it should also can be clear or say president no asem no can onjina so ntia meaning say Kofi either say the community spread no enko so let me give you this example in northern region Tamale tinie pa nipa 10 na omo kan say omonya bi no omo nya foreigners emu say secret recover Kofi Tamale northern region record new case apart from say nipa 10 no. What in here, Eastern region, nipa 50 something no. nipa ba ko pe no outside the Afcon Company Limited omo anye ni nyina ya omo was Afcon Construction Limited one. So meaning say when you go to Eastern region, it is not spread among the community. Kufu tini ye pa. Oba Ashanti region, and no figure, Mr. Regional breakdown.
About 60 plus.
60 plus. Kufu nim. The last time, 50 something. For 15, or say 59 or 59. Yes, 50 or 59. Yes, it's a 60 something. So it's telling you so Kofi Oba Ashanti region. Any of the expert bebre and they know where the hotspots are. Kofi what utini ye pa. It's near the president Kufa Beka say yo me partial order if was say the be yare and spread. No, it is based on information and comfort the man no. So on Kofi, let me also conclude say yes, you very careful
and no na important no because soldiers you still in discipline. We can bring all the military, all the cars, the armor, the police, fire service, but before na kasa nye discipline yes that is the problem.
Exactly.
Before my Dr. Mensa or na you say this can open to
on your social distance.
What do we do?
What do we do? What yes it no tisia no tis onu mami kam wezo president ebia o hwe said nkofosi bre okumuti ni yepa Kofi amanfo esufre no yeah, bro, your business a good sending man kitigiti way. And I'm so don't forget the president is based on information and only taking measures. It be a paired information with the man which say even if we be or left partial law down the Krumpan and yet they are the best for this so much. And therefore, remember the let me also caution them to observe the necessary protocols. And the precautionary measures said be are no and caution spread it. So what in year pa into your humo break can or their mayen. And it's a once over Virginia say you're fine. What's my lefty? But to pay me me health. If you say Yamadia, you can decide to stay at home.
Oh, yeah.
You can decide to stay at home. Opa.
You
men call Trefie simple. It once see what Opa show nsem. It once so destiny won nsem. As measure sounds but be sure we. This Kofi see so ron sounds on romisa. Friends saying sanitize it. She knows my so me nye. NIMAKO do so be and they say you wan kasa wasem. Because when I was say come do. One who say obi o see and
in fact one
free water.
One who say mebo papa one who so mo ba kro bebre kra ni hwe ye
obaye dey ebi o ne hwe ye or ebi ne so ma hwe de ko so kro
na no akwa bi ni nam Central Market ye chi no ye say ope akoko takra wa ya onya bi nti oba be pe.
Look at this stupid it's
not
that's what you say
oba takra and the aba be na
menye we do se me we nti o se atami achi.
Oh my God!
It's a confusing.
Oh my God!
Let's be very careful and discipline. You can say we see a destiny say yensem, ye shebre say yensem. Let me use the word health destiny. Ye pomoding shebre say yensem. Waka or say mo person mo ham kakrenti no munkodwam. Mun fin kram no kuma se kakra munye se kakra it go for one or so soon se me we say be ya de se bi obi kra me nkote it go for present there na for me na why and let me also put that mama obi anti as the president Akufo-Addo all left partial lockdown no say the be nkopa kokote yare ni bi no enye sere na adwe ye no so nim se all left ban na nkopa te yare na all left so people should understand it. So onye na you so left say be ba kwete yare no onim se obete yare na ka on left Kofi anko ida onfa ho any the consequences any the implication and another 1 week or 2 weeks back ho I don't know say borders dey still remain closed I don't know sports beer bar any drinking sports and any social gathering so still remain closed he should tell you say mas onim the oye it is based on information. It yenja but that is a real human being. Confession panka yanke nipa nipa. There you be miss reaction. Be known by because of the figures in the cost. But Kovoni me I think the president has done well. Akufo-Addo.
Oh yeah. I mean,
he
has done great.
Say the president be no. Fine, be because I can be more than the oil no. But any day, a bin who I bet me they are compared for now.
Okay.
It's the best na why the boy my Ghana. Okay, so let's yen say be hu yi. Say the bear en Samsung kofa say biu, ya renaissance for ninja half say total lockdown kra. Kofi ho dem yiri say bedru.
Na abisanfo over the weekend BBC comment within the NDC our donations just the course so na within the party, you know, we have information. So there was a directive. So Dr. Sapong enquire donation. We are say the regional chairman, and so Ekupihwa donation omukwa akwere omenhia na the shine no is taken away as to why and or what the order so nkonkoye we are say be nsem pinso ebeko na akwa nyamre nso a ebeko akodi nkomo na fe ahwe what is happening over there ebeko kaswa one of the hotspots Ghana womuntu obia case from day one just yenti obia honhom no omumu ho chen obia na yeni abeba kofiaje ahoma so kofi Nhyira FM then ekoso kaswa
Sometimes we look at it, we came out as well. They said the Odi can you be no. I want to say the Benia, as a social distancing, and yes, we look at it, they are social distancing, and yes, my one, when Nipa, a big promo, and Nipa, and we have a developed classification, a cat amount of Nipa about of my thinking, just ya po yimani nyaka na bia ka ba kwa beso enipa dodo ba ku de ka ba ku beso a enipa dodo na abodom a chese omu fuka e wa anu se ohwe ni pegu a enye nipa ketwa a fuka e wa hanu si a ohwe ni nyina ti no that mra president just social distance na nya dia omu bi adwuma but ohwe security checkpoint e wo empatemu nyina nkanno police bomb enya nje so bo barrier na checkpoint na akoma adio no adunya no be no ka say ade mo tutuni nyina de fi asamu a ama akwamu enso atumi adawa fonza start on normal duty omoyo omoduma but ahomachin ni to bi o am say suja volunteer so mo pet ni nyanta normal lodu 44 se ka say ya left ban on be je bia eno so kan be je bu lodu 44 ase no mo de omundi se odobi pe enu aba nam so ema omu eyi nipa ni nyina esi from ama okache davanze o mani nyajuma kra o mudi tele driver for be one na bunya nze na obecho de emra na ebe ejuma instead of say obelodu ebia 2222 no ana 33 no no mo lodu 44 say do mo lodu normal load na but ye ba no still asoja for there o mo da so wa do say need to try don buy no o mo da so wa ha ye no to train come omo cheze omo do omo stand by omo monitor situation and stand need omo kwa omo nye so say omo konne ana so so that can so it no omo su no omo ba jite no ari ya need omo tina ata ka de be one week and stand omo tina but for now they need baba ko normal bit start ko omo mo ton nyama ata bia omo ba fa ba ndi so fa no de meno ka say bit ka so de ni para ba ko ba social distance mra no de anya de omo de adwuma na say news master say AMANFO jele e wo sheni partner ni partner bia two pe and say news master wa mi
anyway Kofi enti we that area na no free wana wa sese Accra Greater Accra AMANFO reaction o many agents president I left this partial lockdown ya na azizeng
what the for do ni chemo AMANFO mo ade ko to boot wo ade ko wuja bawe ona baby ana Accra so COVID-19 omo report major cases pa aye wuja bawe Hoshano Hosano, Hodina, and Benvome Yantes, Hodina, Honana, Nipano Dosu, Aka, Nipa in Yam, and I don't know now on that. But I know as a Nipa AMANFO because I command the AMANFO. If you are not here, Kuma, and I don't know, Homo left it by AMANFO Satia, Homo Germany, even Caswazi, the sports you are, a son of Jonocano, Homo left it by Nano Saturday, my sister, Kuma. Now move and to but Greater part of Greater Accra said the American but can we jagbawe they call Amasama in Precious Wadia AMANFO niaje it's I left ban AMANFO start your money we are open normal duty then the barrier in answer I tell you Africa First thing, can fall the quack and over bring check to say, and easy. Any more, but then Oka at the Musa and to get part of the Taka as one again. One of listen of ban, the amount for Niaji. But say, social distance in India, the yes was a bit and they are here in any drama. Now say I let the band in social distance in money and van news marking and said, yeah, that's a who will be not out of the media, and a better time in any.
Okay, Kofi, bibini abesatun safro. Abesabo Kofi J yenua o enkran. Kaswa ne mpotemu sabie one of the flashpoint areas ba se nipa emfa bibia anye hwe. Lockdown we want to be a case obviously one of the areas. Ziani police force be kasa. Now lockdown we president are relaxing. What next? A day more limitations. Then almost so na omo juman shishi nyina so no de be fa hin na omo de akwa kowie hin ya beto ebo ase na fe nya dada assessment but makacho said ne we have atwomanwa biaja MC Amwauku in the studio. We interrogate now you lockdown at the free hall. The various municipal and these assemblies and the dear woman so here to ensure say Mrano Bay Juma in their various markets. Now watching now will pick one of the assemblies na you know one didn't come up na yet mean so ahene ekoso na bibian so etimi akoso. We need some of these things and of course papa na yeguso aya assess the situation. What do we do as individuals? You better not team for not near mass. Ewan ye and answer na mamenko ahoma so na mene ye kojo mensa Abrampa ono wa Achimota area in Nkomo. Abrampa.
Okay.
Right. Achimota area also odu we need to form
come say eti we make that ehun there eti cars no one sound. I hear no eti one sound there on amwa we tum. Any that one now so then there wa lift the ban on the partial lockdown no and the pay hunde amanfo asana ba de eduma na o de we na onsa ko na no oguda we ye ndi sene na Achimota do me kwabenya o Christian village wo kem power sa de kwa hunde eduma kuna bebre na gbegbe hune nduma wa sha ase de we ye eduma na amanfo so gyanyina ka kwancha na worko but any da sam kura amampeni kanya anopi aprobo amabo nyinaro oye wezi amampeni nyambo the social distancing na and the okay cars are who na AMANFO woman we good the social distancing do into how do you on there if you say what if the partial lockdown no the coronavirus soon what you on there work on that another to mention into there's going chair Achimota no kwada AMANFO asase wa ba normal de wo ba be ehun adwuma na za oya ayoho na tete kasi wo yin there social distancing na seminar work am anyaza AMANFO wezido ehun de nkofo ba akura na de bi ni wo hyehyɛ mask bi obi su ono de ni handkerchief na wo da ya mask na wo hye na dodo ara na ze anyaza wo mask ni bi a woni nama nti edwuma asha AMANFO abawon edwuma do
achese bibia koso sede but mask na asma making dodo no wo bi de
na mi ke se AMANFO woni nam na ebe wunda okura na de bie nmi na o max na obi o say we wunda o de ne handkerchief na o da ye max at se fan de wo mu 10 na wo mu 10 na wunda wo mu 4 na wa sha max but 6 na de won shebi nti o che de dodo na wonya nte da be max atani ya yarike na social distancing no so ka se wo twom no wa fa ne dem adabia normal na wa fa na nti ono so na wo kodo wa Achimota na no kwado.
Okay, Abrampa bibini amesign so aton safro. Yabema o voice notes na sabro between the voice notes aba na atifo watchre wadwen wofi ezi ayi lockdown every ho. There na one so we to ensure say one kasa o bambo bitimejina so for adwen kire brain 02 your voice note console no so 0244320564 pacho o de o mayehu sabri ye lockdown every ho Kumasi and Nkran and other areas One kasa timemuni ɛdeɛ na woyɛ ɛde abɔ ho ban mami hu na ka kyerɛ me 0244 320 564 na wetimi nso anya ɛyɛ amamenya entiase ɛwɔ ne anamo utu 0244 320 564 ɛyɛ ne ubetimi nso amamatiase now. Partial lockdown is off. One kasa anamobe na utu se ubitimi nso aboa na wabo ho ban. Ebeko ayiguso ayedi nkomo na afei ye ensure se obi biara ebetimi nso ama wa wo bambo wetimi nso ahwe ne yie. Mamenko eye bosomtwe this assembly lawyer Joseph Asumi and now DC Elho. One of the areas within the lockdown are the public domain. You did home combo a brana Tibemufo or Haso Edintino, Omode partial curfew crack 2 o'clock will be unconcord. You did home combo and now lockdown every one. I dare no more to ensure and say Timemufo with me dim rasso. Lawyer, Memoache.
Yeah, you are.
Bibi Aboko dear.
Madam, you want your pa.
The best dam wabe studio within the week, but now ye partial lockdown every week. Umpasuaso dena ye beye ewo.
So me da say na me tia motifu na enra o mampeni akasa nti bibia esi. Die na o kan say emra ye say epepie no yinya ya ehia no. Afedi o mampeni eye fi hono. Tete enu bina ye bosomtwe ye fa ya e pone ho a edi bi ye that 2 pm no. Nti say die 2 pm no eni hu bim. Obi atime ye na dwuma say die ese e fata.
Okay, and for now there's no 2 p.m. limitation.
No. See die sa lo ni hu bim. Nti obi atime ye dwuma say die ese fata. There's no restriction in the way. Samba no abaye ye fi hono. You need to me for me next year.
Na mwenye free hono eden na mudigu akwam se de be ya enema nyitosi
de o mampeni kan no ane se emrani de ye free obi atim pise de first na hono ni bom de o kan ka to ne se e ba market dia assembly bia nya chiche ya nipa MP so market hono na mampeni sa ka ho but epepe ne je isi a obi atim pie ni bom assembly bia ya bosun fe kan ho no yenya nhihye ya ebese market no nipa ntimi MP supi na yen go against the social distancing no na ekire betance na yehu ekone ebe faso aye but people dey say obi a timpie we ye salu we ye babo chumeko obi a timpie ko ye de juma se de first na etie.
Lawyer, anope meda wase nsa wadaje mesha da nyamre no abe studio bini amesansin safra lawyer Joseph Asumi abosomtwe DC abisafo ma me na me homra medical catcher se me wo MC at the match mangwa biaja mi ankasa menua Michael Amwa Uku ono ewo fie ha ebinyamre na ye di nkomo all your questions ewo atwemangwa biaja about the lockdown bibia opese empenifo aware no fako your voice note 0244 320 564 na webisa empenifo ebenyamre na fei we ya no ede amount 26 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM me basisia na fei ye free yan nkomase and indeed voice note line on so abeto
Of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough. ADDO, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap under running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. ADDO, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap under running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. ADDO, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap under running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners.
For we need the Andrews Casilas. A quanya yebefaso na yesi coronavirus amo ene de ye. Musafo na yewe se be ya spread the coronavirus na ya dia e have yourself and we need the Andrews Casilas.
Me din de jarusu mampo kontonchi abu ihe kumanana wa kasi bituba kwa mekong. Jatani ni COVID-19 ay real. Coronavirus ene neti. Momodi awonsa brano se be ya kunyebi. Nese ndaze konsa o free trotro taxi eso ya reye sebe ya onso nyebi unu nehia bomodi ana timotem ana moti timotem sebe ya eba mbai of COVID-19 coronavirus to ala ni extra medamaso for meeting the jarusu.
Yeah, go ahead. 35 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. MC at the March Mangwa Biaja Amwa Auku Ewoha. Na Babi Binyamre na fe Edin Komo. Ene Dr. Brefonso Ebedin Komo Kakrebi. Na Yasha dia Mesiko. But honorable Bibiabo Kodia.
Yamiado Muriache.
Danyamiase. One of the flashpoint areas are now a watch until the Brana lockdown you koso atwemangwa bi ajame kan sa because na security tight timemufo no so na obi anso aso adin nti na say a lot of concerns and na eba so far enra na dwena announcement ne bae ene mate say ewo mpehua so
yo miramidase na me fa konya so entia etiefo Nhyira Santmera
yeah
024 o see trouble bio na Nhyira regional minister ne chama wontumi me party executives na me MP honorable Emmanuel Giancho gobi the absence and we mu na ama ya dru high there na say nyina yen masem
sure
so far I think say so good mampagini ada Roma onena ban na motu ahodo motu no ama ene ya left ya band na ya dia tour friends movement ne other businesses so nti so far so good achmango be ya wonim say na ya ka lockdown municipalities no nti ene ya nyankopon ya dum mama mpagini dia no magu akwamu a yenya fa hodia kakra die say
better. What were some of the challenges more go through observe here a brand lockdown or
challenge mainly had got to do with the fact that I didn't get total lockdown partial exemptions on
a dozen
yes and on pagini and routi in Casanoa and then rank or can I say there's no one all size fit solution to this particular problem now about until any abetila solutions no along your economic and social circumstances as a on bia America for na Italy for
the so chinchina
solution no because we are an economic structure
sure
so that say ko baby say Italy ni US ni Asia gas ya use of ya pipe on said ya electricity no
nti ubi na ba na watua no boso mete said ya utua na
yeah so how many people have
what the cylinder no so na wakọ bu ade
that's the point nti yentimi emfa ye hunto to de obi ya ti yeni ankasa behwe yeni ye dada setinamu ni ahwe ye bia ye wono ye hu solution na bitimi dia to adwa enti omampagini kan sa no na e wo se ye nyina anso ye hwe na ewie mu die esa enti eye govi
persuaso hono
yeah na e come say bambo for so enoso
okay
bia bo bampampim so no say me hono gateway to about 3 regions
western of
Ahafo no bono ana Ahafo it say wa Ahafo na so person bekuma se kwa dia untima obra mefa
onfa ho
ebu akwa na wo western of untima obra fa pese wo firi bono na pese oba ebu kuma se a befa ana abesan twuma konkran befa nti ma traffic volumes so no say ebu akwa de ya na normal yidi
traffic near charge
but even as we lockdown kwa do to na umaka and because of the da your strategic reference position I enti na amanfo kun se ti asase mbete yesi egbekofo no na e fa no ana ye sa cast na a free other regions eba and na a criticize challenge my we ye no free hono a obi tumi share obi o se mekwakoye mekwakoto adru mekwakoto aduane adi aduane akoto no okodi na chia na so koyede so na police for na meka se bambo for no so omo numbers no meso enoso enti wo so hwe se bi abo pampim ana se checkpoints ahodo na ebi so woka mu a omo patrol for kwa na ya na abanfo no ye ma aya ahomete petrol phone to be baby. A man for a trash and idea, a moon, not really a fee. Yade. Umquire petrol soon say, entering in a vacuum. Say, be a petrol team not back, they say, be a Jason and I say, be a Ginebra, a Buaka division. Petrol car back on a pump and pempesa. Now, what police were Arena Storm police station or Quan or my sin come on Muntiminkum? Oh, you knew intra. Ah, sir, I can't. Yet to a ties no form. Not such a. I had a gooey. And your payment now more payment on our walk. Say go. Walk. Oh, you locked the idea gave you. Oh, but I think just about 3 days ago, make no minute. We say you locked the year. So I'm saying, but government's construction one lock it. You know, but says here finances, so we say we're in a on plan you. I did buy no. But then what's here pavement cadia? What has it got to do with lockdown? Maybe because only say I'm a lot of congestion at the various division and the district. I know, but when you have ahead, you walk when you have ahead, you but I will not. Oh, but for sure, why are there? No, not even the police station. That's right. There were a lot of feedbacks around the area. Man, for in terms of infrastructure, near that, why are there? Right. But just that, where Jumana Woye no man for in Shedden because me a crown me in Shedden, that's passing Madame for no because one can't move beyond. Yes, I didn't call you Juma. Because most of the times, here now, own Shedden bar radio station or confirmation centers. Oh, now we hear Jumas no I'm radio station. That's right. We are Shedden tongue. That's right. And farm station have a call. But I mean, for a fact, area hot there. But problem can see a pa man for no more problem here more which is very terrible. And the Juma we are in and say, oh, a coin in your payer. We house and food. That's right. Abakumedi food. And soon I would have been seeing me and count. Okay, Hoka Crown, Siamaka Crown. They can see me Nana, I Chakubuanim. Okay, I'll see a cannon swim them. And so, oh, okay, you shoot them. As you may a pottery farm be an hour. Ah, and I bet you, Kruna, you, any because that's okay. That's right. Until these are the area, but you better share major issues. Now, okay, wrap up now. Me miss my next question. That's that. Right. Challenge in the na mainly no. Okay. But don't want to comply with the directives no. And you will fear any idea, but the crab hormone say relasi enough fina. Man for ethical. Obit me show be. You probably say do almost say eko nai. That's good for me. What can I do? So that's it. Bisu kuko ikura omo no. We share kuko ikura omo no. What you depends on you kuko bomu a. Enu asidi. Na kuko bia amukoto kuko. Enu omo say amukoto kuko. Yes, what you say is a problem. That's right. And these were some of the challenges I see. Now the ban is lifted. Insurance buyer taxable government president taxes said the MC is more sure said the various markets the be so all about 2-3 major markets ebuakwa dream ebuakwa onso dwedwabe mienu e form what dey no and then oba office what dey no so wo kokofu dua enye bad menhia enye bad. And these are major areas. A cropon so kakra or they come home. Say a cropon. Okay. Yes. And carrier to dry one of the biggest. That's right. I will cream will be at me if you me abaho. Sure. A dear namoye. So say in there. Carrier, for example, dear. Weekly market no Wednesday be amount for free teaching bench baby Ghana and there suspend there no even after the lockdown. Oh yes. Oh sir. Oh yes. And Timonian left here. No there left here no cry and there to I see in force because I know there was a very brief me I would pre them anti so cause woman what was why and like say oh encourage importation. Oh okay. And say ma ban sa say man for mra and da be na no mudi no Ukuada bia. Oh, okay. Say the nina. Okay. Come on, tell further notice. And the fumigation we be oh yeah, baby. Oh, okay. Baby. And so far the agenda they say boy by basso. It was shout out there to market no dia realane market no tables no.
Are you saying say no pay ye call ebuakwa hwa ye hu se nipa na bobo so?
Oh, I'm telling you say wo ba her office ya. Tables no hodina no. Ya twetwe bia ho.
Okay.
Ya twetwe ho 1 2 1 2 1 sa.
Enu ye table fu na office ya wura mu Ghana water nim hei eni benkum hei manfo na sa hwa e ton bode anka kodu ne kwana no nyine.
We be ofa wache. Seti ofa wonu na ko du hono 27.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, I tell you. Sanity e dem pa because ya na say you take close market no. After say ye see ho.
Yeah.
Di congest ho ni ade nyina no. Na nipa ba mu too much. You close market for about 3 days.
Okay.
And I the American say you check your stable in the table 1 4 bar 2 4 bar. Until say 1 in a tianma. Table 2 no na distance between on and the other one.
Oh, okay.
Until number 1 4 bar 2 4 bar for 2 days.
Twas na isia de moto agum.
Oh, it's hard je.
And this is ya no.
I don't hear
more sessions ebeba.
Oh yes.
Kumanse Central Market bi an shede nyina. How are you ensuring some with my enforce?
No Central Market for the me and say omo ya ID card na.
Man for sa kutwa bi.
That's right. Enti no me I don't and me the table no si wo no. And am atwe ho. Table matwe ho 1.
Enti wo ba wo be hwe se obi ante so.
Enti say 1 me enti 1 matwe ho. Enti say na 1 for na ba. 1 for na say bi hu mo market na 2 all tables e 2 bi say empty. All tables e 2 bi empty. Te do 2 4 years wa say one table be a train 1 be say
now mo woni table so
nobody's working there. Our only table
our got to kwana no. Oh, we are sure there are many of them. Mama ton yi bebre
see market one
bayere ne ade ne wo kwan no a wo mo ni table
ti ade ne ye kan no yen ka say ye ba ne friends trading no ya ka say ba ne trading ye say congestion social distancing you observe. And they say ordinary you have him and them baby and fact we are encouraging that. Say instead some you be converge at least can baby was supposed to be cry within the community mom and no one can treat you home until they can bad. They say be war a quality of you can't right side.
Yeah,
be a little kills be no any problem cry.
No, I'm talking about even the corner one castle, left and right in almost just in carrier, for instance. Mount for the reporter because almost free journey abakwana
coffee and carrier. My ye be BF.
Since when?
May see bears and you cry 2 weeks.
Saturday a partial lockdown in Muye. And
I may catch them say because and no us boy at me so me streamline no more.
How sure says
because and carrier marketing, for example. Containers are now for bobo. I share them on more build containers. I and a local
okay.
That's not bad. But almost every containers and I'm about tables.
No. Is tables in everyone.
Everyone
within the lockdown.
Yes.
Into how sure some more returning on some back.
We said we'll be there. We are there. And the president says, I'm beginning to say, Yanko Sony make sure say markets, Laura parks, these places are not congested.
And it is here no tax force a war a Buako dream honey at the Adiana.
There were task force for assembly hall.
Okay.
But not specifically for and a market for more boy.
Okay. Okay.
More boy, I'm a be beyond the NIMAKO.
Okay, my may announce yen WhatsApp voice notes line. Wait me my the situation on the ground. Baby, I will be na question be a person bisa mwabiaja MC Ramo Uku of 0244320564. Obey your voice note. Na dia ba your voice note console so na fe ya body ama 0244320564. Mami nti na wo chese yakọ egbakwa.
Enti the American say
yeah
yes it is here organize ye bibia horo de marketing de bibia kama
okay
say wo hwe dem carry na make ya baby a wuram kura se a na ka wuram etwa mu hwe nyina na o ma block nyina say yi nyina ama mu ada ho kama ba san a hye table sisi basa nyina ya hwe homa.
Okay.
I share nyina kama nya enough space.
Me concern is till when because now you for any minimum you
say what I'm saying is say
the sustainability of the situation. How one way to sustain them concern.
We know the one other positive side of this
COVID no.
This
and is that amamu kwam wet me decisions.
So see how go see market new one I see now. Obisa ho asem.
Yeah.
On say na beautiful ho agina share. Yeah, ma close completely. Okay. Close completely. You see how can we call beer and our credit. You know, Mugusu and Omo, you say, with my Afakwan Bisu, I should say,
Mamina, they say, Shell ran about upstate school now, war close to the police station, and that Tintin was already there.
And I know a room for night, room for the night.
Stores. I see. It's like a test school issue.
The school,
and the bank been so headquarters in the whole school in change. That's virtually anyone imagining now for business activities when the school is still there.
The school.
Are they? And critique problem and my addition for.
So far, so we pretty, so we don't know, but I don't think it's a critique.
A government school,
yes.
Oh, school
yes.
And all this while it's been there.
Oh,
say Obama time and I want start. I think we'll be a start here. But you buy an ounce so I bet twice on a white sign. Sir,
maybe. Oh, yes, then you're sitting in this way. I'm not going to list.
But it's not healthy.
No, I mean, what can I do? I'm going to list. I remember say at that time, national members be crammed already. Concerns about it.
But I want to assembly for Bob. That's an assembly. I see. Anyway, 8 minutes ahead to 8 o'clock. Live on Isha 104.5 FM.
And it could be so far, dear. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Bambo fono abaso.
Okay.
Na mfati ya boka na fo nyina abaso. Se utie o mampagni kasa o kan ye no. O kan sisu se o down kana fo nyina ase. Se edi hyehyɛ ahodo a o de bai nyina so. Obi na nya easy kura o.
Enya easy. Ma me ba behwe aduane a ye eche no. That's another concern. I magana for. Umpehwe aso na wo chebi.
Na wo chebi.
De ya no ane de ye no.
De ya no ane.
De ya no na o che no.
The other one, the NIMAKO communities.
Community here for
communities. Virtually all the communities. That's why you see now.
Mention be now because man for you. A man for friends, no man for friends.
Oh sure.
I'm telling you. A buakwa who do a market at your zongo no way. Mercury for the don net here. Maybe there's so many coffee. Several calls. What is a welcome me a shareholder, stakeholder? Apart from being shareholder, me a stakeholder. Me a bibia we waka.
So Adriano, me say me hono. First week no.
Yeah.
Na no 3,000
every day.
If you did 3,000 people.
Okay.
Na 3,000 across the municipality, you know, say and pay
and so baby.
That's right. We are going to get on my
3,000 for all the municipality.
Second week no. Then another 4,000 make home.
Oh, okay.
And I 7,000.
7,000.
I 7,000. You know, who did you know about Crabesa?
Ebesa.
I wouldn't be surprised. Say we because Onyebi. Very obvious. Say
I see.
Ha. And some members no. And now almost spearheaded. And I heard the old say. Apart from one incident, will be there. You go to social media that you are not correct. No. Other when you challenge beyond you, we didn't have any challenge beyond. Honorable Assembly members in a committee for no call fear film.
Okay.
And I fear for I could tell you say, oh, must be more big TV. So that's it. And a Honda a very, very excellent Honda. I think by and large, the whole country, with the exception of few isolated incidents. Has a very skeptical about the effectiveness of this food sharing. But I tell you, say, I was shocked.
Yeah, who's so baby crowd, baby?
Someone for any brepa.
When I say Ghana, the idea be already cherry. No.
But some say, oh, but you're paying any deep sow. You're paying did this. I say, we know you're doing free.
But this is in the no idea.
So I say, really?
But the na no I know so much and so much area.
And also you go
much I know him.
Oh, and the master phone.
Okay, you know the nyama na mo chair. You gave it to the churches.
That's right.
And one more chair.
That's right.
To the community.
That's right.
I see.
So who's a meche bia na obi na abeche bi say
okay. Oh, okay.
That's it. Yeah, but no man pay the other by there.
Okay.
But the ma asafo no sorry no. Then Muslim before no. So mo so enche. And that's how the structure say you see on the chair.
I see. Abusafo I also so awutie Nhyira 104.5 FM ye wo MC de ma atumangwa bieja. This week ko nyina no will bring MCs from various MCs NDCs na ya interrogate nya fair better understanding. Another idea ewo nwa bieja ADCA ya Kro Yi Mu Nsem. The churches are complaining. Nya wo honko a it's been general. Akronfo area won niema. In fact, me ama soro kra betwitwa wires. One other me church back housing hall mu wian stro. Say the policing, the security aspect, then am here to intensify. Say the be AMANFO take on due advantages him.
Crime there is all over. What I say, it's all over the place. Nye me honko.
And then you honko, yeah, I understand.
I think say by and large, me honko the crime and the coffee just dramatically. Say me fortunate because me with 2 divisions.
Okay.
Say we are so be divisional command.
Okay.
And carry also a traditional command and so it me honko there in terms of security and even numbers around quite friends say normal. We say here more men there, but compare a situation to other area, I think say the all kind of I'm hearing this for the first time.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, because I would have thought say Kro AMANFO fi no there. Ma eye Kro no bona.
Nkofo ni nyae. Omo nyae.
Yes, nti me nya information bi atu.
I see. My men call me voice note concern so na yemfa few questions that you for the more person will be sana fe. Yenin komo a lot of issues yebeba a few infrastructure development and other issues are more person you do komo but onto that there.
Memo abaso ne adwumaden aboma santeman ne Ghana man na onobo amwoku atwumanwa beja MC memo na baso efiso bedi MC wo atwumanwa beja nhye papa ode agu akwam ma atwumanwa beja afa ntuma pefra na ekonenu ma memo yewura MC onobo amwoku abaso na ohwe lockdown iba yenso hye ode agu akwam se de AMANFO bedi omo huni AMANFO nso muchi nkuni ade ewo atwumanwa beja municipality mu onabo awukudin hye papa agu akwam mama lockdown yi ama ewo be mu nuane mobrofo kunafo awisia be mu moduane adie ni nyina onabo fasi ne konso aye ne nyina aboa atwumanwa beja man be mo na baso ni various market wa atwumanwa beja nyina so no hye papa a ode agu akwam eye social distancing ama mu nyina no eya yewura ma okunyamisha no na
good morning. The friend Isaac, because I'm free in carrier to answer. The honorable candidate, market for the my whole fine. Mark level, I eat you know, everyone say, why fine, Mark level. But 100% can make an center. I said, I won't take this opportunity. Now, I'm find two mini blocks with any war. I'm a cat or no, fine. That's
hello. Patrol me kasa free Germany. Patrol lockdown ni de o my everyone there. I know me who say come but the home say script no. Still o mo kroni ye tight. Na mask no mo bia so nkoso yen de enhye eno de beboa. But so ma dia mo for so mo kokuru mu a script ni de o mo njai o mo djuma o mo nkoso no mo control mo make sure say social distancing will be.
Hello, good morning. So question from Sumit and say ADDO hello, Kofi. Emma watching and pay me GD say one chief will be a hoye. Me didn't the honorable Samuel Champon there to assembly my and do some friend who the state assembly. Me chairman manager Army Bright. My chairman DC in MP. Kofi Mr. On a pay me pese dia seda son command and ADDO. Kofi uhwe bold stepper what take say obetimi yi sa lockdown we free ho ohwe suffering ko for suffer mu fie mu or how one ko for film ni ntokwa koso sebe sikasem ntino na ase fam ti yebebo na naba so pa wom se yawe no nkofom nanso a bold step no watake ne be se nyame se omwa yen na next week ne eko no nka yawe no mmra fom ne ntimi mpie yie pa in all out ntimi nko edwuma so kofi me da se me chia obia bye bye.
Hello, Kofi Asante. Good morning. Pacho, friend, me kase free airport runabout. Pacho, ya kran no mama no mana ba be port. Na said the musini ye kan mentiase. Lockdown ni mu no ya trafia ma se lockdown no aba na wiye. Na lockdown ni mu na me normal e baaye. Atra hono mo a minimisa me konkran enye yie. Edu ya na omo the charges be air tutu so a yenti asentimisrewa momme ni hu nkomo na yenhunu ya na normal be dru habo hono mo no a lockdown ntini yenti mi anko ankoyi na si hono mo ama demology na chi ya na esremo mon kama ye na si esika di dwane nyina ehye esremo na si ewia yenya bi na ya sa kofa normal fufu ama aban no etimi ate so tas.
Hello, good morning. Apa de becha abijafo ene atiefo nyina ya be kan se akufo do ye de nase in fact if it can ya bebre na o ma ye hokora se mpi no kire se yeso yemfa emrane hye ensem nyenya de yepe e be so ga nafo omo ni hye ne so na akufo do ne buanse amfu asa metum esre mo pa ga nafo munya so tie kofi be dase.
Hello, good morning. Vacho me de salufu me kasafrin carrier. Me won carry zongo. Me pacho de honorable kano no crow. So ban carrier pa market sin say akwanjesti pa na ene so ba do ma yenu no. Ya kwan dem ugina carrier hospital honasa wo hwe bank enim hon ma kwan dem sa ntia no de no kre honorable waya de power sabas body ndamas.
Pacho me de abna me kasefri ebu akwa menhia me chia mabedwafo insurafo moya de papa no pa bia da bia metie mu mo bo adwuma nkasa na master akase me chia me MC nso na ne okanyina no eye no kre ejom ho waboa papa lockdown yimu omo clear ho ye bibia ma wura ho a bibia de DANQUAM mu na akase yentimemufo na nkasa no ye kwa ye mompe so ne ebedi mrane so ejomfo ne ne momoton ne ade de wa hwa hyehye ni nyina na kwanso mebo na baso pa wa ya ade and ya mistre bisane se edwada damu ho na ye bia yesia ye mie ye no ehofo na omo bodompem na omo kose ni ade no eho de na mestre se entoa so na emwama ebu akwanso yenya ya sumdie medamase.
Kofi, good morning. Meditadios, me fefi atwandre bi. Nukure the honorable MC to work and why dear situation we require offer so control no ni sopa o kon carry jom se sia o kana nukure mi ano pe mi ho to ade kura mi ami ho ebu akwa mu nyina uduru a wo ye ku ukwa social distancing o mu observe no kama na baba papa na baso pa woni ma oye onyere no ho no nkoso enye na adwuma orabu awuku na mi hira o bo adwuma medasi
Kuyana ba Kofi Asante ni medase asafugoi filling station na chi ehope midiane nana bidi deba kope nana bidi de wadaroma mamenche ra franke bo atwemango bejano kakra nana bidi de mekane se yeda umampani ase se abobodie ene umetimi makao ne nsema kesi ana ekoso Ghana nyina nti so umampani si walepche ni mum se de okran no wankasa wo hyebrehye nsem sa wo se wo de wontete wontem na sa wo de wo so be kasa begina ba bia baaba wanu na okokote yare na enyoma mpanyi na abeha no wankasa na abeha wo no wabusua na ya wakogina okakase ukudidwa wankasa abeto lalebe o medase aduana ba.
Hello Kofi, good morning. Me kase free abu akwa makru Fema Kwasi Donko. Could you lock down India? A woman's a present a year through. Nemum. A mano, among you. A drum home, Yano, poor Fasu be into a man, the SM up still our police for an heading. A home ye pa my. Uncle catch our Mo could say any none of a buaka, and in the net Nakisa Fitamo. And the log down by Nankin himself over Bahokran and Kaja, bet you more. One bag be cried, the Achama and I just hear the Akai say Java try and in the net. As we need I see a movie in Tikachan said Esrena Buakama Kunakis a fitemo or on trial said Bibiano Tian, a whole area, no so over here so Kakra. The lockdown by will be anywhere where you are achieving you. That's it.
Kofi, good morning. There was a party in Ejumapa or the work and lockdown, yeah, lefty a year pa because Ghanaphobia brave. Nemo me perceive me to president in the say ordinary or minor ntino. And yes, it be a year better. Actually, Namanaka say, okoye new voters register because I said, Agnane Yakwe say. Opese o yes anumano nti enema o left ban se enti sadia enena yedana spa baba das.
Hello Brakofi, good morning o na mapomwe Patrick Femi James ni kasa free Italy Brakofi me still yesterday Ghana for tena na do aya adom no way lockdown na from so a omo hwe yi na Italy Spain Germany, France, still now that's what lockdown more. You see, interview and see 4th May. That made no cry, you confirm say, you be quite bon ten as a co. I'm more than a jaguna nado so. No, Baby, you from Mosua. Moshi and I adiano, whoop, and yes, a modi dia grossa. Into a moshi na omonti to a montem.
Hello, Kofi. Kofi, good morning. Kofi, me about with me serious. You're local down. Now you're 58 cases. 58 cases. Say, you're lifty band, you know. Say, you're 1042. Now, MC, who to Kase, so far, so good. Abani, you're serious. Kofi, won't come to Kurentina by me. So far so good. Lockdown. Yeah, lockdown. There were 58 cases. So say 1,042 who catch so far so good.
Okay, Yakubu Tony records just at the time of lockdown. Yeah, lockdown here 137 cases. Then 58. Until let's get it right. Anyway.
Sante, me free kote. Me de kwamra frempo me chusu say no ya left partial lockdown obia woni max ni bibia no kam chusu nka drivers no e ma ne mfro car tro car na say taxi car na fe no omoma max ni bi anya available all the stations say ni penin ni bia won betimi adarete ni se bi akwa ne kwajibi ne fa be fro car no yesi ya ebeboama obi etimi apebi
awrade na senye nkama safi yahu ademo efemi emos mensa is just pipe holder e portrait about the papa me de mejuma papa in some ha papa mesre nanado ye bona baswa yade ye besre ye ntima mfo to say akaye mu a ye na ayese ye hwe ye husu because yade no de ewo ho enkoi but mentin say ye huye yenti ntemu no screw yiri yamfan kata ya sana baya bibia ba kwankan ya ho yensa no sana baya mo kire no enu mo mabwaye na but yade ne de we mo kire yade no de we America ma Germany Italy Canada ne sebi China corona papa corona yabo.
Hello Kofi ngamu na ache mijitu bia ho ye frame Robert ade Dudo na from Benin gases make us free Denmark meet you from Tune In Radio meche obi a Ghana na kakra me kan se me ku school wo to ase do me de kronoma franchu na metie but me ku school wo to ase nti honorable kasa no metie no e bona baso e wo dwumaden a wo ye na kakra me kan se lockdown ya hu se social media manfo bebre e de ya sresem se de Ghana yinim ye ne ma no minianom mama yenhwe ni because yenkwa ikura ye ne ayensem the fact say you left lockdown no enkyere say corona atwam Denmark ya we more than 3,000 we ye call lockdown ye call 11th March be seen that social dem ye basi be hwia de intimi nko class intimi nko adwuma intimi nko ba da social dem and they say omampanyini say ye nko ye adwuma so a ma ye mfa ye ho nko bata amanfo ene sa na ma no yesrem mo ye nhwe ye ho ye fisi corona ya de a ye hu.
Okay. You banned the first batch of the voice notes. You better basubi miti. Odi call baby awobia, especially mo amwongwa bia jane na mpotemu. Ubetime the voice note abrame to the voice note console 0244 320564 0244 320564. Bibia question bia person bisa any input our person on the lockdown district or municipal no ubitimi ama honorable amwa awuku the MC at the match mangwa beja watimi aboa na wansa ede ama mamene MC in komobiem now honorable
mina
sisi amere wo kasai first of all answer this question input we mame nakisa fitem form say won hwe
no man so na net the kwaya me anim na me kase menye directly involved in the
aduane na
aduane chere
but we do ask we have personal request I am say per bag ba ko bibira
don't worry also we kana kubantu me am betwa me fa
obefa ho ndi na kra yeah now me wo I think the course any input e ba chere say indeed niema wo boboso no is being done on the ground. Sustainability na me emphasizing because ene ebetwaso echna ebetwaso more the task force will be babe augmented already the ohono anase saying now ye ba eto amojije isi amoyende because wa kwajije
say I left in the obi akwa na djuma
nti mboko akwajije
we djuma dia at least assembly nso say running
okay
nti eno there's no question about it now one for them say we djuma wa said yes utua toma oman no so the bear nya the basic amenities are in hwe no na Kofi won say ade no mo enhwe de say as we are should to atwango beje to ma begini asma o kan nra na ya ade a na so ya twen ya nyina adwene so me bai na me nu eka akufu no kan bidimu say na wa mampanya left in tem do na those kind of stuff you see eno na ka ho ne aseda o mampanya de yede da Ghana for
okay
oh say even as yeah of course people were even expecting say man be by day
extended
account just say man for a crado say omuni o man pegini beto kese e wasa ekun ya yeso ayeso ko a umfo ni hunu nipa a won also asukun no
yeah
o te say hunu say obi a wo fa aba na wo fa tu hunu say meja so me fani so far adi so bi si you are see man say you are see baby this is the first time ye hunu sara adi bi say enti e ho ntoto ye ne adi nyina no nya nyame akwankyere ene akuduru na the take decisions bi so that say enti asida no man pegini da Ghana for na me so me man no e dey to speak because all share by and large man for aboa
okay
so we little infractions are
ye
hu ye ne adi na we say by and large ubia enya ye ho ntiase asoro for example asoro ya tutumuni nkrabo don ya susu me yaro baby anka agiapa o
serious
because see these are matters of faith so someone say no faith faith is obi make say well me so me nyame na me nam sa kwan so me gura no ha me nyame ade enti obi tries to be defy but ye hu say
obia tie
edi so akama mama hu say ye sebe nyansa ni mi de so atoto enyam so na ye de yes no do bia boro mo de wo hwe even the security agencies health professionals yeka no man pegini ayisma wakan no wo say all along but I know I abe enum the first one is say you be lift it you be limit it the importation, it best stop and a limited stop the importation of
free baby.
That's the first aim. And I'm ordered to borders in across the so in TCC, you say, see, it may achieve that. Yet, may achieve an maybe I can say, Tamale, a quiet. 10 by 10 1.
Yeah,
a chess say, see, it may be a borders now a lose. A suja phone a police from Pempe, Bambo for Pempe, yeah, bono. So, man, for so and so dear, because about my former going to you. A yourself, man, for you, I wouldn't say a corner is sunny in a day. Yakun. Now, you soon be a bee. Near stop for sex ups are for. And I met the gun for us, Papa, Kovi, wouldn't say what money for Biafra. You see, and I get a near Basha. I
told us on a man for Zuhan and you crab and baby 1 year. And first, so bug out and go buy any corner. And then the bug about crowd. One said, who I am a
very wild awake. And there is, I can say, oh, one year throw, and I say, a Melifu Basha, we say, what was on Wampa.
Yeah. Yeah,
so what I say.
That's true. When you be aware.
Oh yes, the papa say, Nigeria for best be the papa 15.
Wow.
Baby Honswa, Malifo, Nigeria for 25. So there was a time as a parcel, how much a car be an a sprinter be. Now a ludu in the pam, Umian Casabia.
Wow.
So, we are drinking Casabia. Safari for me na samples and they acquire the test here if you can say and sana immigration for night as I deal with them.
Now Honorable Minister has been on point. It's been on point. Someone says very fantastic.
It is so far the what we say coordination right from the national and you'll be surprised your platform be one more virtually all the people who matter. What I say, or my decision making, with the exception of the president and then the vice president, everybody was there, was on the platform. Assembly see, when you to platform, within the next 2 minutes, no response I ever.
I see
everything. And the coordination right from Incline, Saba region, now share regional ministers also. Diani only and she had idea. It'd be very wonderful. Laura Parks, I would you say, me say, was a Hasina a horn in a pie, sanitizers and others. In fact, when you be crying, you were not even sure of the Papa and say a carrier government hospital, a department, a pharmacy department, a sanitizers, my buy 5 drums every week, be a EBCC, a Laura Park, be
okay.
I can say, be a Cotonaca anymore.
Na or their pepper and stuff.
Inti bibia the Ghana for yadie support them picking that. Inti that's the first thing. Limit and stop the importation of the virus. So far so good because see an contract tracing on picking here. And I born na ye tisa no.
Okay.
Was bibia o ye bia no backed by data. Any science. So that's here.
Yeah.
Backed by data and science. Data no say. Nipa say na ifra man why the aba. Right from a friend say February no a ade eba ha no omo free Ghana free amana no eba Ghana biara go free airport
yeah
e ma ka ma feel what you be call those concern obey na until that data is there until before ansana ye local borders
no matrices are for na
for ba jansana ye sa nyina no omu nyina data ro hormo a e de ma apobudi aso no a omu contact tracing ndu free abrochi na ba kwa dia
bedi wachi
and ye bedi wachi ye be obi atie no na ya ba ni obi din kita ho ya ba check temperature na ya advice wa ma self quarantine for a certain number of friends.
Okay, we have some few specifics na yen wrap up na fe yen share ye be fa course. Okay. I left it we see. Okay.
So e botayo this year ni so no and na wo ye ho adwuma nti botayo 5.
Okay.
Nti dey say be say won say how are we achieving botayo na work no? Nti limit and stop the importation of the virus.
Okay.
And what man ye sisia. So and contain the spread of the virus among communities.
Okay.
And on aggressive
contact tracing.
Nti say bia say me fa say manusu simina so say me na me test positive. I say I been bidding kita ho. Na find out me for the past 1 week or so and ever since me here media no me free obuchi na aba se be free obuchi na ba ya dan na manya bi ti nipa wa come into contact na no ye trace wo nyina nti ye dia no the approach no na ye adopt ye no we were ahead of the disease, the virus. So rather than say chase virus no yeah because say you identify say could for so what is positive for yeah bisa san questions no afei na ye trace ya cause am ya nyina na akote go nyina
obia woni no come into contact. Yeah.
For example, the one market we friends be hono obia there's only one person or tested positive.
Ewo ngabeja. Asad na mo de na mro one.
Da be mro one. Se kura ne hoto no.
Oh, okay.
And now ye dina ba fia ye monitor no fi.
Oh, okay. Oka wo mo hoto.
That's right.
Oh, I see.
Ye monitor no.
Oba na be ma.
Oba.
Oh, okay. Utu kwan ana.
Utu kwan ufra kwanto be bai.
Oh, I see.
Na ni fie fo na testi wo. Obi eni ho a wonya be nya bi.
I see.
Yes. Obi eni wonya bi.
I no mo tran for be how many?
Oba kra be be 1 month ha.
And so fear for now no mo.
Symptomatic for me.
Oh, okay.
So I say, oba tran be 1 month. Ono kwa no nim say wo yare. But because
I'm free na trace ya
because ye trace
say I'm check no positive no develop science
bia develop science bia
and so no positive
bia
no what train off over 1 month and so one more no bia nya
what train fie honom be say be 2 weeks
okay
we show sign bia and time ye call him 3 weeks no twa
I see
that was our own show
on fire bin so nya obia
we feel on fire obia nya but no call market
okay
sorry.
Okay.
It you say, I sorry for you compulsory a friend say testing or see a testing as
a testing now sorry for you okay.
Or the general could give you you see a more sample.
Manfo can say I don't know any do mercy. Minke can't be any pound baby kakada mon.
I see I don't the agree and I'm paying us more kind want it. More sebe or more tom crab how people treating them. How people treat you?
For instance, I'm for example, be anke bu akwa de esi. No am ye hu. Afi e be ma obia.
Na gba kwa onba konti gba kwa me kan bro o ti aso.
Nwa bi eja de ne. Me do na go to the father nwa bi eja de no. So, e bet my enkawe, e bet my
that's right. But mo be eja ba ko na si.
Yeah.
Ba ko na si wono. Ba bi o ko e bia no. You take samples e wo bia what that a friend enclave ni na.
I see.
Until I yet not tested as many as 83,000 people. Africa will be annual tests. 83,000. 68,591 results na Abba. And Numuna, it was 1,041.
Until the rest of close to 2,000. No, you share him with a babe.
He says 18,000.
Not close to 2,000.
Yeah, 2,000.
Yeah.
And no samples. There's also in the area.
Yeah, Babe count 1,440.
That's right.
1,042. No, possibly a bit shoot to a cost.
So it was a containment in a year. Yeah, restricted. Yeah, containing the spread of the virus in a year because not the region 10. Yeah, what Eastern region saying. Apart from one person who follow outside a friend say company no premises
other
you need the same that's how it is and approach you I say adopting say baby I didn't be no that's the area say there so on the so far I think that aspect is good. So first and foremost we have limited the importation of the virus. You see, containing the spread among communities. The samples now are contact tracing.
Okay.
A vigorous one, enhanced one. So net the atoms for that net. Until that one too is also being pursued vigorously. He said, "The account be no man you say limit the effect of the virus and the pandemic on the social and economic life of the people." And no. And I'm see who say, yeah, my hand here, and here for so doso. You heard my uncle, Uncle so be mamma, coffee one word, and I'm going to be any. Only Umarian class on one thing a day. On your butcher one. Such a boy day. Businesses are collapsing. And if you are not careful, among 4 percent of my cry, I didn't hook a crown, if it goes a kum cry done. So we have to find a way of limiting the impact now. sunsuanso bɔne na de bebre ɔmanfo dada setena ene yesi kasem tutu so that is one also one other aim purpose of pagini de ede sa ade ede si nani so one say be are we doing that are we achieving that say what the stimulus package be na ide aba the idea kwa koma friends saying businesses small and medium scale
pastor no de nyamai enyan start
that's what me nyamai so we just say roadmap any day so say impact on social and economic life no and also all limited no just say you can now go to your work so your place your business to do your business all limited but limitation any limited the effect no because see untu nko yayi
Ethiopia
untu yayi ana untu nko ya wedding so ayi kwankwan ya sia ketena ya
ya to spa ne dan
so that impact is there but the purpose is to limit the negative effect of this virus on society and the economic aspect we are make just say for the past you say towards some
okay
and so we have to pay our workers yet we have to pay dada
bills near the
so engineering so and no paying this stimulus package na ba said bit my day
for yane amwa awuku MC at the matchman wabeja ADDO we having all the discussions be fa voice note kakra but sizi encherensu totono eyiriti bebre we have a problem your COVID Ghana for what problem so what are the precautionary measures are you taking housing abakmedi ne mpotemu rekwaba na because me misati me for no family born in chebe abzavo ye fa voice note kakra na fe me ba doctor
good morning if you say for Germany na me shira woni oduma pa wo boma o maga na wa ya de pa ya ri ba yi shira fe mabua abodewu pa ma o manga na se ye o manya ya so ti kasa dia ka na pa se mo ye mo afo mi de pa ka o si ti na fa ye ho adwe na kofi ata me kan se e ga na fo ne ma bi ho di o se ye forget it san se kofi hu lockdown kra no this and can get na anya adwuma distance issue na ntimi anya adwuma let say see a lockdown na eliho Ghana for you o mai bia ya try be careful so yem fa akrokro engeti o ma Ghana because yem pe adieboko because there's no doubt say o ba ka Ghana ni say lockdown ni honti o separate o mo ai be adwuma yan lockdown no ka buy no easy say social distance ni adwuma it is how they just forgetting social distance na ye ka ho asem no yem pa ye say yare no en sane yipa bebe because how they so nya yare no mo
Kofi morning minim se nyame adom bibia boko na sese yi ade free yeso so mo se kasa man kasama na mo kan nkofo kan wo hwe social media kura ko bi betra so na kasa wie twitwa ne mo maso ka kire ne se wo de abiema kan ye ho no wo be send ye mobile money am ye didi na respect ni o man nim nipa no ye na no pay ye di o se obi a yare ni bi a che no kire o se de yare ne tia nka wo akwa nka mo fa ni agro nti wayi se ya na epe na ye ha no na ye man pressure na ye se enye sutie nti wayi
Hello, good morning. I'm Abdul Latif Mekasa free ebo akwa e wa twa mo beja ni kan beda Nyankopon ase o bi ode aduri ni aboma mpanyin na ADDO DANQUAM ekufu ado so abaso ni abo MC ni MP so abaso e wa na mo batu free mra yare ba e bisine na ya tue nuan mu nyina so fo se ye nya sa ade se se ye ade ne boa ya ye hu fu so be wo ho ne mo se ye mra bi ne se mra no kikire kakra ni ano dem ne ye kasa no sanko de me ya ne nipa dodo nyina esofa fa so be na obenya e be sere nuanum je wo ya ye hye ho mra se nyina ye nya na yare yi enko ne nti ko adwumadie so enko boy bra no so wanya ne se yare echu ne se nyame amfa ko ne se ofi mu a obi fofo na ba be se adwumadie no a wo kwa amfa se adwuma no nko
Blakofi ampacha won te se minim se nyame adom wo no abusu nyina mo hoye me chia abidwafo nyina Nhyira efre me chia mpa na de ten se de nyame asese ami ameka se efre me obi mensam ka se free ipili palemo na de ten se de nyame asese onyankopon aya adom na kufu ado ho se ne niema ayeko na wo se utimi elivu free kakra ba de ameka che Ghana fo ne se I also move by social distance and I was say, yeah, you much as baby, I always say, own to me, say, my Pia, be me, family, I mean, I was saying, could you?
Hello, Mahine. Good morning. Hello, Good morning, Edianaba. As a mobile pony, because a threat to Subukro. The American say a coming Kodia and I was saying President will extend the lockdown of Kakra. But I know also now, or Emma Penina winning at the Queen Trabana Bassa. The American say any Ghana for no, as I said, the shepherd crying some. And until I was saying, I say, if a boy a hobby. I was saying, I say, social distancing in the Bay Juma. Now, so Emra Yoku Juma near Bania Froka near singing in Idaho and Sa. So the church in the city and Afi, a sanitizing and sound near Beshe, nose mask and also. Sorry, Baya, your boy and Kasaya wine to be a self to Namidiama, me running man may boost your phone.
Hello, Kofias Ante, good morning. Because every ekapem eye atuma nwobieja amoku ne community ni wi o waya ade me bona baso se waya ade bi lockdown yi bai eduane a wache no yenkura na se ho nyina ke wokra de na minim se bia eja eho de eyikuaduma na ye yenti so odwen ho se da bi se ye kan lockdown ho de na wo se obomodi an se obetimi a che eduane bi amaye edi da na se pa se watimi aboa isa de no nemu ade ba ko amesre na se yesre no pa impuntu efa ye nkanu asem no e na oti we de ye nkanu asem no nka ho bibi kakra nkyere ekuapemane ne ntabanu ne banch asere ne enyamesem ne nkuru nsia na aka wo ho nyina onka ho nsem enkyere wo mo na brosankro ekwan no wo mo ntimi anye wo mo ye brosankro kwan no wo mo ntimi anye nti yesre no wo mo mode no ntwede ni hwe ho so bi mai medana se
abadafo me chiachia mo mebo owura awuku abaso wo adwuma so a odima atwemaman bidin di jo mekasa free nkare na mesre se nkare market mu ho no mo sisi ani bubu ho no mo nyina made se dia mde to owura awuku ani mo ne se memma omonfa eho no mo no enye politics because ensema ebeba no sia no yese ba che ne foforo ma start e che obu ho no mo a oni aba mu nti yese ye twama obi a owa aba mu ne dabre kwa na ye fama no we ne tia o se oni aba mu nti ye fama oni MPP ni nti ye fama mesre se omfa politics bebi obi a tibia ne monche kakrakra ne nsu obi a so no obi a so ekwa obetimi anya bibi kakra na busua e de akoma no o bu adwuma owura wuku nyame nhyiraw.
Okay, 34 minutes past 8. Awuku, there have been two major issues. I think it's beyond you. Yani isi di committing komo. Ba wa wudi dise mo hon kania de.
Kania no me say.
Omuyun. But regional manager engineer Samuase Obremo transformer. Ewo nkare. Nti that is the problem. Vada bia me frɛ no because monkane anu mudumu ayenso ya affected. Ewo boko ne twede area ho nyina enti I think say a general situation but the ECG for so beba within the wing and I think say is beyond you
we cry can dey say na sabi ye na ye mention problem be kwa koma aban so akon sa ho no ekwan nyina na yi no light no China waterfall
okay
no ma be sa friends kaniam
okay
ga do advanced stage na ayi ba na ja yen hu into na mo bia ko do enti muru anana una de sa asemi ba oda roma MP edu wana mo de
okay
ka ba ye kan China water mo de sa facility bi ba ye kan ye kro mo municipality wono
adan kan hono mun nkane ankasa
hono mun nkane anda kro
oh okay ye ntwen omo na national just kane ani krum ho oh I see ntabanu nso
sa ntabanu
ai Obama krum ho nkane ani ho e ho kwan wa pa mako once wow ntabanu nkane ani ho
there are about 7 communities are on me hormone mun nkane.
This is serious.
Yes, 7.
This is serious.
Vancouver Ray by Poem Nako Entabanu say about 7. I say ye what man in the edrich until no cannot want to and I brought some crowd the Ukrainian union and Nipana a day hormone now senka or yet a horno a cajon but we COVID never any I didn't say my so ya join the good year na e also in fact enka ho but na me catch them say omonko MP grama engineer no crazy ka say onko na one na kasa na nka say bi cry fu kwa ya man fu na nko entwam but me nim de ekusi ya omo amfa sa abrosan ko de
medame ho aba no ansan ka wi dwan yese mo clear no mo ba be chen foforo ma ahwe a bob the politics ba be rem obi concern reason ye ba ye be hwe na afia nsuo ba be toto no so no mo various sport point a day or how yeni ni brichi ema temamufo no how what do you do there na mbutima a house and kwan imu na wo abakumedi ne potamu shirema so ne sa area ni na for me basisi a na ya to ankomiso
tete enu na yai bosomtwe ye fa ya e pone ho a edibi ye that 2 p.m. no until you say there 2 p.m. no any hubim obi atime ye na dwuma say there ese efata
okay and for now there's no 2 p.m. limitation
no you see there sa law ni hubim until obi atime ye dwuma say there ese efata there's no restriction in way samba no abaye ye for them you need to me so me next you
na mwenye free ho no eden ne den na mudigu akwam se de be ya enema nyitosi
de o man penye kan no ane say emrani de ye fro obi atim pise de first na ho no ni bom de o kan eka to ne say e ba market dia assembly bia nya chiche ya nipa MP so market wo no na man penye sa ka ho but epepe ne de ne isi a obi atim pie ni mbom assembly bia ya botu te ka ho no ye nya chiche ya ebe say market no nipa intimi MP supi na yen go against the social distancing no and the exhibit na yehu ekone ebe so aye but people decide you be a timpie we ye salu we ye babo chumeko obi a timpie ko ye de juma say the first na etie
lawyer anope meda wase ensa wadaje mesha dai nyamre no aba studio bi ni amesan safra lawyer Joseph Asumi
tete enu na yai bosomtwe ye fa ya e pone ho a edibi ye that 2 p.m. no until you say there 2 p.m. no any hubim obi atime ye na dwuma say there ese efata
okay and for now there's no 2 p.m. limitation
no you see there sa law ni hubim until obi atime ye dwuma say there ese efata there's no restriction in way samba no abaye ye for them you need to me so me next you
na mwenye free ho no eden ne den na mudigu akwam se de be ya enema nyitosi
de o man penye kan no ane say emrani de ye fro obi atim pise de first na ho no ni bom de o kan eka to ne say e ba market dia assembly bia nya chiche ya nipa MP so market wo no na man penye sa ka ho but epepe ne de ne isi a obi atim pie ni mbom assembly bia ya botu te ka ho no yenya nhihia ebe say market no nipa ntimi MPSP na yen go against the social distancing no and actually be chance na yehu ekone ebe faso aye but people decide obi atimpie we ye salu we ye babo chumeko obi atimpie ko ye adwuma say the first na etie
lawyer anope meda wase nsa wadaje mesha da nyamre no aba studio bi ni abesan safra lawyer Joseph Asumi
tete enu na ye
na o ma report amamo drivers no
oh na dawa ni de sabe yin na ni tie na o mu ye adwuma ye nya sika na de ande na so enu de so tie ase enu ntin ye se wa wo yo sure se kan na adwuma onya 10 cedis ena ya tisu obenya be 7 cedis so hena mo wa no so be package ko the challenges in the who say bibre nyamia bibre the report by atum da bia matie bia me frɛ chama wo so on hwɛ se sa ebudada no da hono omo hwɛ ne mfanya adwuma omo amfanya adwuma na se bi report officially enya de asabe emra no be spare no because sabe emra sabe obi anti de so tia oye de ope the challenges in the ba man se do na so overcome.
Okay. Dodo na no last for the past 3 days o observe wa ebinomo baby as wo mu yi nipa ni gukura no monko o ma start e no short said e be ya o musika no be doso for instance eso kwa jusu straight awuludu onko okukudu kwa mo baby anu ayi wo maguo no abeda no ho no san sa ne ma no mahwe
ya hwe na experience akra mi awo mu an se o hwe na barriers no doso the do crowd drive because of me na monko mam lockdown didn't necessarily bahadi ade until onye short ani bifa so sabre ya o mampeni yi sa lockdown ma e kwanse anya dwumande so fi so load to kumasi to adjuso eso to mko adjuso double load aba friends mi kro mu akona eso de mba ho ntuko ye no ma bia no sabe passenger be report so pe kwan bia bona po na de enso so mi ama hu bebre le mo na se ne barrier ne ade wo kwa mu a uduru ha sabe ni sinipa na nipa bi su gina ba ni ya jo na ma sa no ma we nyina ba nti sabre ya mo gidi se they is an one from there normal personal say obi gu.
Okay, very unfortunate. Nana Nimako nyama nyina si obafi ha me di nkoma ni ye lockdown every ho ne aka ne se embra betima ye adwuma na drivers aye discipline yenim kuma se ya so den keme transport eden na moye
battery we dey me chia for you Ndoka ze una na Bresiama Kasauni regional minister no na mayor no metna say discussions bia na ebeboa ma yetumi de emra president de hihye ma ye no yetumi de aye adwa na yugusu a ye no den in actual sense social last week Thursday Friday ho ba bi na military no empne ema cars are no money specific stickers no back from the idea is was yetumi faka terminals or stations be faka yango ho yensa and ya observe safety and hygiene protocols ni nyina enti omo discussion mo na me hu say yetumi the nyoma ba ko mienu bi atokwan mu a ebeboa and one of them the distribution of hand washing equipment we have a Facebook page I will be the various stations near that day. There are other donations that have been made. But one major year and stickers, identification stickers. They when it's usually cars juma na almost free station almost near our car a little different from almost belonging to any station from our phone. And almost to say every person, every driver, and more than so be join any of the unions. Among generals, it could be a phase so within a period of 1 month, 2 months. No, Obi a because of journey station be Obi because or Genetica and or money any condition or the regional executives no and regional unions are only 24. Omuni na ni poda no Nana Bresiama no pe won no okazana won no kase enti it's been done the year stickers near there and was say yeah the mom no almost started so mo the aduma And some of my catch on drivers last week, friends saying Friday, Saturday, and they say, well, we need the appropriate sticker. I have my crime well loaded from Chrome, main to car and a pain. You are lifted ban all right, but President so asked to say, you find your man to took him at that boy, to me control community spread no. And to the American say, if you do not have it, that is, we need the appropriate sticker. Don't go to town because now so you prevent you from coming to town. They might even get you arrested. We normally be they are to talk them. Definitely any more meeting and pay 10 o'clock. Until when you say immediately the meeting is over, the press will get the information and you will also be able to continue the education. My boy me to me yare any other nyoman. Then to the anope hono.
Yan share ni mu se lockdown bring mu no bibi foforo beba from assembly and saying
bibi foforo as in
very stringent measures be a more drivers war metropolis be a special arrangement be to ensure so we dim run so bibisa
Nebato we are share ye juma dim remra mu ne there are specific bylaws I was here the juma if you look at Government Act the fair airline 19 saying 16 and the other regulations I was so be all your card maybe and belong to a union. I feel so should belong to a station. And there was a way display your destination indicator where baby I walk on a these are some of the things. And as you see, I also the hand washing hygiene protocols so abeka. You who say it is very, very important. See, be my son you may to me adwuma. There will be strict enforcement of these things. The only issues are the work kakra, the strength of the enforcement team so ate kakra, but Jumedi is also eso. Edu baby ana limiti and kakra. But Yamiada Roma, the military and then the police who are assisting us in doing this. Whether the lockdown has been lifted or not, and from now till say all these protocols are supposed to be adhered to. Belong to a recognized union, join a station, load from the amount say loading. We'll clean your vehicle, sanitize and those things. We can see a lockdown we buy your own kuma see a fekeke. And we because baby no ka do her a wura work and no wa pra no de agu form no wa tuko ni nimni professor oba no be pra fa ewura no it's a idea you nim say these protocols as they have been established no it me near the adwuma and with the help of the media houses if we say education no be kesi we are going to design programs and be periodically to educate the drivers to actually do what they need to do
now minimum assembly no is it do I call it ticket and answer to be a free drivers in all right tools right good very relax it every one
with a executive decision now will be subordinate.
And now, Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebrama free Edwada Ekosi Memeda na Edwada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduanan Ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no nan eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de nso e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na Memeda bia yetena se efiri anopa na onkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
some no dey nyina na yabo no aye dey eba ejumade me bright can come bodu
kwabena open afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football, I need a bigger interest.
MC Amwuku Michael Ewaha ono na ye MC Edema ye atwemangwa bieja municipal igusu aye din kombo as part of the lockdown dey share na oye for the area na penifo ebetimi so aboa na wa ensure say timemufo ono ebetimi keep the social distancing. Star Life Assurance I mean can say and the next 1 or 2 years say na we see hu na person for family no nko is all about planning ni na say fa hu life insurance policy I be secure future na mabusha no aye kama friend 0302 739 na bibia timi akoso anasa obetimi so the MTNC and control said Tenafie Ben Conco Ninam Banchre when you have nothing doing, or what you have to do and pay Enya and it's a matter of Utia bill no ewo umumonuso. Inti pay your bill through the MTN postpaid new ubibia na bibia timi akoso kama MTN we dey for you everywhere you go. Honorable market no edie no nothing be me bi wrap up the discussion.
Yo bedasi market ni de ne minu na okasa fa ho no yemfa politics
okay
politics be any idea you know market na suffer a lot of unnecessary delay we share market na nka o say ke di fi no ye is I do feed between market
okay
nti nya de politics be aba ho already your nerve problem
okay
say be say de problem for France aka politics out already no ni pele tues kana every amani panopras kana mo metua na broso nti a epe baby epe kwan so ama me baby ai dey free
okay
nti get phone mo na ebe do mo so far no more cooperative with us ama no more akwaje hu do pi this kana mo na obia no show interest bia also hum so buti bi so woni market mo da dia and no sorry obobo ho so buti es kana be 20,000 you're not less than 20,000 na buti aka
I see
market na dan dia because more soft already no more secret so aba lock wa check ya de no the try say no be dey be kama more secret number form nti the assurance I can give
and you bua kwa market asem na okay
yes na make one some in fact na ya krasa na dey sa me at was me dey na ka we want to na
and a COVID habe
but I don't think say it's late now it's late no ya na be the phone be share na fe ya conclude na ye dia tudwa bia o show interest bia ya me na hunu ska o tia san dey
ade aka
na it mean every market na dey
okay
that's the situation
so to area ho possible areas are edu ha flashpoint in terms of ensure yiri bo akwa house and abakomade ne potemu jije be na moye
at some level there na say as we work from national save it menya permanent intervention there you say si akovid ya kwa wi no mobilize resource akra na yakwa kwa friends the Sultan na yet me attitude so makra and address major you know that's what we will do for now because that's what we can do at our level.
That's what you can do at your level.
Yes.
I see.
Friends the streams now.
And where be nyamai from so national level.
So far the roads have been awarded on contract. Only say
because me can say the last time you didn't come, you were very emphatic. Say nkan nyeme nyina da na kwa mu kranka contractor say ba site. DNS
and I make say we say now you a few challenge with liquidity.
Asa wo kan brofo no chief for na tiase no wo mun nim liquidity o
odoji
and the other is a few challenge with liquidity. Remember me ote house wa we te wa no pero liquidity na wo kan any ade
some dey o mind dey so we say
yeah
no more yeah so we cannot be an exception even crowd here the main so full road here na ya dia sala that's what abaya akuma so ade we are not lying, friends, on this thing at all.
I see.
It's
0322083581 The ambassador, social commentator, my long-term friend with Obibini Blackman, Oya ambassador for hand sanitizer. In fact, ne Daurubunya se ubiya nyusu hand sanitizer. My long-term social commentator, Dr. Divine Gabriel Brefo Akufo. Mitawachi. Doctor, many years ago.
Oh yes.
Why are very nice hand sanitizers, and I think it's nice.
Yeah, coffee.
Very with Obibini Blackman.
Yeah. Easy to use.
Easy to use. I see. And that means what house to house distribution. I see.
Oh yeah. Telephone lockdown buy no na say na abro fie.
Until we more ton or marketer.
Aye, coffee on the way say na dwumadie
hand sanitizer
yes.
Oh, I see.
The dwumadie pass the idea was say enso was your boss society no.
Okay.
Ko yare na aba no ebiase baby a obi esu ko. Obi esu ana ma omai bia sika sem nso.
Aye, akwache ya.
Enti no say oye timamuni na ukura nwuma a wo ye. Na wonso anye bibi amfa mwa ewo yare a nyina ye akunya na je se wonso tirimode
sure
enti no we major social intervention Dr. Thomas Kofi Aboagye Dompem the CEO no oye se ne yensi sanitizer na yenso ye dia mamotifo no na se be impreduasan ebia obi o yare ni bi wakoso baabi na wonso ni monso akoso saa bia ni bi odi sanitizer agu nsem na aja odi fifa wonse echia emoa wane ko wayi wa free yariem eyi free mu nso a wo ma wonananom wonamfofo nyina nso free mu bi enti Kofi we dey just intervention ye nso no as a company no ye na ye dey aboa na yare na se etu Kofi se dey yare na si ko no ehu na nso no Nyankopon dey oginema
sure
na measures na we say we take care wo se udi akire na wo follow protocols a ebetimi aboa a sustain you e wo good health no one follow na de o how ni ayu ni bebrel enti Kofi me dey so far na hope say Ghana so yaya de Ghana yaya de so far the whole Africa ye ni o my yetimi test over 60,000 the whole Africa
the total is about 83,000
yes
very great
yes yaya de papa yaya de papa Nyankopon so na aboa because ye hu see any technology enti no yamfia ni antu nuro so yamfia ni antu bibia so enti Kofi babia man panyimfo no omodi eduru ye wa bra ye compulsory isolation no na composite testing no and na tracing no so boy papa.
Okay. My main for message we ma MC but I don't know for sure test and number but I don't know the authenticity of Asma or Kofi. In Carrier Market, the assemblyman told traders, that's the women, to prepare to pay 700 to 1,000. If you do not have that amount, you will not get a place to sell your food item. Good morning and thanks. Augu, but we are aware of this. And more Jijiskabi. I see. And in Pacho, Medini pay number bema.
Okay.
If free hand why follow up. 03220835818358. Doctor, my men pick a course kakrami we are me bound China fi where we are mamena hand sanitizer CJ. Doctor Bibini Blackman. In fact, yene na nete ha
for sure
when we are bed ye be mo akwanya na ba bia se epe bia ye benya bia wa ma ya so ate my memfa callers be 5 na me wrap up the discussion. MC amwo uku ha yene na din komo. Hello, good morning Dianaba e pa cho hwan you
Adaoma ye fami junior baumia manso antokom de shekonkwa bidisi no onabole no na me onabo no so ewo studio no yafo ncha no pa amwo uku Nakupo shira onse utie voice note na ba na omo municipal no na no omo bo abaso wa ya de se ya de pe so ho we DC ya e so we adwuma na o sha abana ni munyam what ya say tani Dr. Sewado ko ne Frank Ebo yi na de America nyina ne se ade ya abai onse eye ade a na Ghana phone bebre titi 26 no and yes, them, you need any, and they are another so a little band. No, almost say, come on, you will lock it down and say, and they do 1,042. No, and I will say, they say they one left band. And say, thank you, know, delay, too much. And it's when that point that we are no policy.
Maintain this in Ibia can be Tinka, Yaman Comono, and Yak Dina, go obey, or also end this in Ibaya, or also reacting. Now, move take the discussion out of the rare issue to politics until let's minimize it. Thank you. 0322083581 032208358285. Mr. Rosa, where the card voice note about men some freebie because the opera can work can we now for a person friend with him so afraid producer yeah move focus on telephone lines and said a bear what if I and bit me and my freebie. Hello, good morning. To God, my brother.
Adiana Achamago and
na also for Amankwetia or home.
Yanko Padauroma locked there by Papa Etimubwa and Kokra and the Merwa 4 and the Ekuna Umo Edward Kokram and Kwetiama said the secret immunity. Mamma Falcon and I'm fasted up Amano. Now, Adiana what could I know of you and let me come one of my network?
So lockdown to your Baba Dom Betty. Is that gonna be behind the better lockdown?
Adiana Memphina at one mono, when young for a moku. Who be Pimo and Wabia just out there? It did do an abono a Jimura. Now, Adiana Bawan said, okay, and some you are moku, Kaya. Yamian possibly. To be able to me a coffee, Ama Unyan for a moku. Now we want to go out with any time will do from Puma and ye. Adiana Bon said, baby and Cabo Mobiano. Yana, a one of Moses, no economy. What you here? And a young one says, when we young for a moku, a boy as a Noma, I won't put them up. Now, maybe they may catch it than a fool, and said, then I can see a bit of a come over and say, I deal with ya Abano. Adiana, but I say, I could see. Adiana, but I could see. Let's say, Uganako said, Empire will want to say, what town for the mamma appeal to no for you, Mamma Bo. And to have coronavirus, yeah, about that twice. Yamian look at the best regan for. Then I can tell you penny for a future with the Mayero. Near to me, this and also I'm a freezer. You bet me I couldn't kunim. I was I abeso. Adiana about that.
But I see father and scholar. Hello, good morning.
Sorry?
Yeah, Minia.
I'm going to do
I mean, you.
Of my memo, you got more Kwabaso. Once there was MC for the BC for the KC by the year. Or Mokasano managing Romano, a bois, or more timem for Pa, the Mamma Basso, you made the papa or your own carrier. Yeah, that's it. The Omanpeni a partial lockdown. Some directives name some measures in Panadia to a Quemuna, Mumia receive the dish. Remember, God, they are not naming the bear 1 week inside a day. I can't. That's a Ghana for your Casado, they say, I'll Papa, years a partial lockdown for another young to 2 normal year. Now you are your destiny, I bet you, and some to your one day, and you're normal and some pata. May say, Yamian Pepe, not your gay park, or you say, till near your mumpires, I said, the mom said, you should buy any attitude, I did good jump, you did what's your name, is here to me, no one go for the Bekumasi. So, near Sabah, Shira Castle, the work of your Monte Dama, the Toso Grano, I social distance and near Juma, near Kobe, or Munir Mubium, Duncan Macro.
Okay, everybody, that's caller. Hello, good morning. Yeah.
Patola Lucia Ashton.
By Joe, I mean to you,
the making says, yeah, I can see we.
Oh, Kafra, Pato Sanfrebi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Blakovi.
Yeah, Minia.
Unia Solomon, Anopedia Medwadu, a chance one sample.
I mean,
nothing for one thousand to watch among the Janov, and one the Janov Moses Frankebois, 1,000 Parmesan. I don't know. Yeah. Honorable Amoku, where MC Evo Achama, Mobeja South. So, me DC, Honorable Rebecca Yabua, sister. Michelle said, Aponya Bama, Honorable Amoku, me DC, maintaining our radio soda. Michelle Pa, can you be there on Cinema, on Cinema, Mobeja no for Fono? Yes, you. And then, on Penny, social distance, no. And as a part, a cancer down lockdown, where you every home. But then I don't pay my more race course. For baby, I do know. I say, you're born pay Casa, and my home. which is social distance no they see yi really free on matter but as a social distance no ye ka lockdown why as ye ka ho o hwe nyema e koso responsibility chenku ani pa boni se amafo nya kwanko na amafo nya kwanma no masa nyankofo na won san mehwe o mai ye sa pa ba bi aduru de ma konta Ebenezer o de papa ta beja so o bi aduru de ajem paibo na me sure.
Okay, men for last two callers we wrap up the discussion. Hello, good morning.
Diana Makofi Asante.
Nebo Zuni.
Yes, you play who ni Santrimo Poli.
Ana.
Ekeletie. Engineer Asamwa. They say mo na kanya de ye adwuma cha na ho Santrimo. Mo kan se kala mi die. Mo na kanya de ye adwuma.
Bibi ada na ko.
Ana Benito, ami stay na mi shama pa ana komanda so. Kada tie. Bia me kan se mami cha DC no. Benito ho ni eni nu ana na ni ono.
Da binya Benito ho.
Oh, fantastic. Ni na ya toma. Ni na mi shade man pa. Ni kasa fantastic. O respect ni pa. Na mesre afefo ye fre contribute no. Ni FM station enye afidite toa. Na se aboa na wu ayamani mu so fast. O man penis wo na so to fam. O tie media. E do le political power le kutano. Dana fona to abama no. It is so you be business team for no eka. E wo se wo taso be sipani ko na abai. Me ni wo ka say border otutu nkutoka international port wo tu mu. Me ni se na pop eka no. Dana fona ye tibi de ko fona bu fa bu chire bai no. Omo de sai ade na ba. Enti mo mi so kan na won ko de say kan seven penny phone tu papa no for no. Woni na sa chire wo mo. E mo men to ye bu ase. Na ka sa no ya do so do. Na mi abo ye mon pa na sa ya ko die wu e fi ye nsem ni nya kwa nya djuma aba e mo aduane a wo be je ko si da bai bo so ye so tell be ma wa wata be ma wa e ba ko si da bai on se ba nya bo so ni nya mi jaw aya ma kan de chenche.
Okay, me that say we are done. Anaboku we come on and wrap up and then I will can chat to
the America and say Ghana for Nkoswa nya o mampagini ne apamfo so mo na dwadi ahodo na yedi ato akono eni so o mampagini left na or left chase restriction of movement so wakasi so say e no nkyere say sa yare kudiawu a abanya nyina yakomu no eno eto abawie anase bia ekọ na mo woka akire se sisi a no nyina yeso eni ye ho so yan sacrifice yanfa entoma emoyem na yehwe hunu se the virus that you to come so you distancing you my head adwuma na ebe hwe mask said the Dr. Kayam so far yenya ade na no aduro onyame emwa
eno da sukuru kra ya
ene daipa a wasombe before ama omotumi e de sa hye ade guakwam na atma sustain ya business empembe so ayi enti mo bia mfa eniagro anka se bia ne say I left ban on a restriction movement enti no wo kwakwa Europe Basana na wo de wan kasa wo life and to friends amani
okay
adofo ne afofo so a yempe ho asem so na de eto amani
medas pa thanks for passing by emjiri se bia be koso din koma doctor na hand sanitizer fa kura na ye benya bi wo hen ni details ni na
wadaroma no isana Dr. Thomas Kufabu ADDO CEO Bibini Blackman Company Limited the yemso ye de boa His Excellency the President initiatives in Ghana for any we are seeing now connect your hand sanitizer. Coffee hand sanitizer Bibini Blackman or Brema West. Udru Brema West na bisa brukutu janshi obi abechiro. Coffee udru ha we sanitizer benyabi baako ye 10 cedis for 200 ml.
Okay.
And Brema Dremonsu benyabi pharmacy shop obi benyabi filling station benyabi. Omo jeje na kwamoton nema enye obibini sanitizer ya no ahwe yie. Biso nye sanitizer nya na sanitizer.
Food and drug
Kura ewa botokura ene wokura kronkron where standard World Health Organization standard yetimi yusu na yetimi contain mu ano agi atum nti kofi anopɛ no woni bibi kofi wanjia mini Helen do di machi Germany wanjia Helen Brefo do di machi na Germany aja anopɛ ya
so we safe there
you safe ene ya chia senchen so
I'm say to Canada. Then he has a general
local.
Anyway, I was on for a day the first session in BC. You do Jack a crap, Messa Baby, Wafidin in Auku, Malik, and so our high video. Auku be able to Nyamiadum coffee, and then Yamiase. You locked them through to a startable life. Nyame Mobo. I was on for.
Ya kan se da wase nyame nhyiraw nya ni panyina na ye kra nyame so no kra ne ani na kwapo se do ayama ye bura adwene ne ntiase so edi kan wodi kan cha bi mai e na we sa atoso ye no ye se wodwene ye ho wodwene mampa ho nti nyame nhyira maame bia wo sika wa hwe ye ho nyina wo nyame no anhya wa na mu ye do wase
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho na se media asam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bo be ma na guso adai eya abiwa ha soko abiwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abotwe twetwa ne nkakra ede brawo
eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abo